query. Supplementary. Here, Milo, the respondent number 4 has filed an affidavit on Friday, Milo. I would like to file a reply. 2 weeks time.
Mr. R.D., learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the respondent number 4 has brought on record an affidavit on Friday ki over time on 27. 27, no, last Friday. 20 on 23, 2026, and accordingly he prays that he be granted 2 weeks time to file a rejoinder there. I accepted a registry to list this matter in after 8:30. You will be sure.
I've taken the consent of the other sides.
24, 2024.
May I please, Lordship, item 63 and 64 of supplement list. Lordship, my appealing for the GST department. Lordship, maybe I may be allowed 3 weeks time to file affidavit. Lordship. I've taken consent from council.
Mr. S.C. Learned Standing Counsel, CBIT.
Lordship. CBIC.
CBIC.
Lordship.
CBIC. Comma. CGST. Comma. Submits that he be granted further 3 weeks time to file, to bring on record stamp of the respondents represented by him by way of filing an affidavit. Comma. The prayer is stated to have been made with the consent of the learned counsel.
Lordship, there is an interim order in those two matters.
Registry to list those matters again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date.
Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to make the mention for item number 36 of the daily list. Lordship, the affidavit of opposition has been filed by the respondents. I pray for some more time to file our reply, Your Lordship. 3 weeks.
Mr.
N.N. Datta.
N.N. Datta, on a counsel for the petitioner, prays that he be granted further 3 weeks time to bring on record a rejoinder on behalf of the petitioner to the affidavit filed by the respondent. So prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed. Yes, yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 62 with the consent of the other side, Lordship. Can we allow 3 weeks time to file our affidavit, Lordship? I am appear on behalf of Mr. S. Chetia.
You are
Senior-
appealing for respondent.
Yes, 2 to 3.
Seek allergy to order. R. Sharma.
No, JP Moore, Lordship.
JP Moore for respondent.
2 to 3.
2 and 3. 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, there is an interim order as well.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next day.
Lordship, item number 30, Lordship. Lordship, we need some time, Lordship. 3 weeks time to file our affidavit.
My lord, I have an objection, humble objection. That is, the issue is already settled. The issue, this is budgetary support by these honorable court by order 2323, annexure 11, already settled issue. Now it is based on commercial production. And therefore direction to be issued to settle the issue as per eligibility criteria. And no scope for evident opposition is there.
Lordship, last night.
Because
they-
for 10 years will
they
be
give consent
completed by
for-
27.
They give consent in the last night, Lordship.
He's objecting.
I call Mr. Rishikesh, they give consent, Lordship.
Learned counsel is objecting. I can't do anything. We'll take it up when the matter reaches.
Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, item number 29, Lordship.
Hmm.
I have filed my affidavit in reply today, Lordship.
Mr. G.J. Sharma, Dr. G.J. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, that an affidavit in reply, a rejoinder affidavit has been filed on behalf of the petitioner today to the affidavit filed by the respondents. So, registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks, along with the affidavit, in reply filed by the people.
Deeply obliged.
Yes, madam.
May it please your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a writ petition, Lordship. There are 2 writ petition for motion.
Bench 5.
Yes, Lordship.
Ah.
For motion, Lordship.
No, what is the issue?
Issue is, Lordship, recovery proceeding has been initiated. It is pertaining, one matter is pertaining to income tax and another is GST, Lordship. Demand, there is demand. We are challenging a demand.
Appeal filed.
Lordship,
You have filed an appeal. Appeal also disposed of.
Lordship, in one matter there is, yes, appeal is dismissed.
Against that dismissal you have come.
Yes,
And
Lordship.
the other one?
In the other one, Lordship, there is a pending, when there is the matter is pending in the ITAT and CIT, sorry, Lordship. And then they have initiated the recovery proceeding, Lordship.
Yes, give it.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, take the consent with other side. I beg to mention item number 28, lordship. Senior is out of station, lordship. Kindly adjourn the matter.
So appearing for
D. Sarma, lordship.
D. Sharma.
Yes, lordship.
Prayer is made on behalf of Mr. D. Sharma, learned counsel for the petition, comma, with the consent of the other side, comma, for an adjournment in the matter on the ground he is present there. Prayer accepted, registry to list us after 2 weeks on a date to.
Obliged.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention 3 items for listing, lordship. Matter pertains to bench 5, lordship.
May I please, your lordship? With the concern of the other
Obliged.
side, I beg to mention item number 60, lordship.
60.
Yes, your lordship. 3 weeks time may kindly be permitted, lordship, for filing our reply, lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. S.K. Shah, learned counsel for the Mr. S.K. Shah, learned counsel for the be granted, but 3 weeks time to file, 2 weeks time to file a rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the respondents. I accepted registry to list this matter immediately on
Lordship, interim may kindly be continued.
interim order to continue.
May I please, your lordship?
Highly
I beg to make a mention for listing of 5 items for motion hearing on Wednesday, your lordship. There is an urgency in the matters, but
Can't help it. She'll give you dates. Give it.
any date up before 31st of March, your lordship, otherwise reassessment proceedings will be initiated, your lordship.
30th.
May I please, lordship? With the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 37, lordship. Kindly grant for 1 week time.
Why?
Yes, assisting counsel out of station.
Huh?
Assisting counsel out of station.
Is that assistant
Zahid
counsel?
Abbas.
Jayabas. Prayer made on behalf of Mr. Jayabas, out of station.
49.
Yes.
Lordship, item number 49, lordship.
Hmm.
This matter may come after any day, lordship, not today. Actually, I have some personal difficulty today.
Ms. S. Kanungo, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Lordship, in this case, we have filed an IA on behalf of the state government, Lordship, as because there is an order passed by this honorable Lordship.
When do you want it?
Any,
As per, I just
when?
place it before your
When?
Lordship.
any date, lordship, not today, since I,
This has to be heard earliest. We'll have it on Wednesday.
lordship.
Khutbah. On the prayer of
Very
Mr. S. Kanungo.
No, no, Budhwar it is.
Registry to list this matter again on Wednesday, along with I bracket C number 3026. WPC Maidiva,
On Wednesday, lordship,
Wednesday.
deeply obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 32, lordship. The learned English counsel is out of state, lordship.
I'll do one thing. I'll go inside. You give a list who are doing cases. I'll
Lordship, kindly on 26th, lordship.
too much. On the, you are for the petitioner.
Petitioner,
You are making this prayer on behalf of,
H.R. Ahmed.
prayer is made on behalf of Mr. H.R. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petition of government in the matter, found that he is out. Prayer accepted, the registry to list this matter after 3 weeks on a date.
May it please, my lord. My lord, I am praying for some accommodation with respect to item number 10 of the daily list, my lord. Here, my lord, our instructions are awaited, my lord. I am praying for some time to obtain it, my lord. We have the consent of the other side.
See, only thing here was that the DRC was there. DRC 01 summary thing was there.
My
Mr.
lord.
Cause was issued on.
My lord.
That much
Yes,
only.
sir.
There
My
are
lord,
many
my lord.
cases of that project.
My lord, on Wednesday, my lord, this Wednesday.
It's very easy. If the show cause has not been issued,
Yes, my
then
lord.
the whole thing falls through. That much only you have to tell us.
Only 2 days, my lord.
Friday. The
Friday.
prayer of Mr. H. Borua, Laman State. You have taken the consent of the other side.
Yes, my lord.
Standing Council, Finance and Taxation, registry to list this matter again on Friday. Mr. Borua shall complete his instructions by the next date of listing, Friday, 27.
Highly bless, my lord.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 56 of the supplementary list. This case today I have some personal difficulty, lordship.
Your name?
R. Paul, on behalf of G. Khandelia.
A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. G. Khandelia, learned counsel for the petition for an adjournment in the matter on account of personal inconvenience. Registered to list this matter again on 31/3/2026. No further, this is a 2018 matter,
Obliged, Lordship. When it 30, Lordship.
30,
Lordship, in regards to item 40, with the consent of the other.
40.
Yes, Lordship. I'm praying for an adjournment in this matter. The instructions are awaited. Issue pertains to population mapping consequent to the delimitation exercise. So I need some
There
time.
are other one or two other cases also. 40,
Lordship.
you have taken the consent.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. A.K. Khush, learned standing counsel, Panchayat and Rural Development Department. Prays that he be granted further 2 weeks' time to complete his instruction. Pray accepted, registered to list this matter again after 2 take to be fixed.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of 2 writ petitions for motion.
Bench 5 matters. Yes, why is the Advocate General here?
My friend's case, I have to appeal.
Which one?
Item 8.
Okay,
The petitioner side, I'm for the respondent state.
and you are?
I'm for the private respondent.
Oh,
We'll wait, Lordship. No,
what is the urgency now in this matter?
only notice maximum,
Maximum.
maximum notice.
But even then
If
also,
that is also there, if he participates, that will be a ground for the election petition, it would be a ground for.
No, that situation has not arisen
No,
because,
if it arises also, it will be a ground for.
yes,
election petition.
subsequently, if after the complete procedure is followed, then the
Was
authority
this
comes to a
matter-
decision.
Was this matter ever referred to the state level scrutiny committee?
That,
No. that they have not indicated in their petition, but I was called by the CIB.
Oh, you are the culprit.
No, I am the real person.
Okay,
Wow.
let the petitioner come.
let the petitioner come, Lordship.
All of it, yeah, go for it. Private petition in person. So, Saraf, when did this address change take place?
Exact time is not available.
Because what I find is, they say that you have not appeared. They issued to you notices, but the notices were in the old name. But the first notice was received by you, AC Dr.
No,
Lane.
the issue is that he submitted the reply. There is no dispute.
No.
Now, the adjudication order, it mentions that no reply were submitted.
But you have supplied orders, a reply, then further documents on 2 occasions.
2 occasions. So now question is that whether I appeared or not, that is different thing, but the order has been passed on the ground that no replies were submitted at all. Secondly, my lord, in this case, I also filed a petition, representation that the tax has already been paid because what happened, my lord, the TDS under the Income Tax Act was deducted on the provisional basis. The apply was made next year. And next year, all the payment has been made. Instead, my lord, the excess payment has been made. Now, once, my lord, the payment has been made, only on the basis of the 26A statement, my lord, the adjudication order cannot be passed. Once the reply has been submitted, my lord,
They'll have to take that into account.
so the matter should be remanded back to them to consider my reply and pass
Let
the order.
Mr. Mishra have his instructions in the matter.
Lordship, no,
you are
Lordship,
instructed.
no, Lordship. At this stage, Lordship, notice may issue, Lordship.
No, we are not issuing a notice here.
Some
This
time
is
may be
all
given
money.
for
If you have
instruction.
to, if the state has to receive, it has to receive at the earliest.
Some time may be given for instruction. Lordship.
But Dr. A.K. Saraf, learned counsel for the petition, assisted by Mr. Kebora, learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr.
JP Moore,
J.P. Moore,
yeah, on behalf of Mr. S. Chetia, Senior Standing Counsel,
appearing on behalf of Mr. S. Cheche, learned senior
Standing Counsel,
senior
CGST,
standing counsel,
Central GST, Central GST.
CGST. Full stop. Considering the issue raised in the present petition, and also basing on the prayer made by Mr. J.P. Moore, the court grants permits the Mr. J.P. Moore to complete his instructions in the matter within the next 2 weeks. Also, on the next date of listing, this on completion of instructions by Mr. J.P. Moore, this court would consider to take up the present petition for final disposal at the motion stage. Also, till the next returnable date, the respondent authorities are directed not to take any coercive action against the petitioner basing on the demand for payment issued on 3/1/20. 3/1?
My lord,
3/1/2026.
well, I think when you're also granted 2 weeks time, it's better, my lord, that notice is issued and thereafter disposed of.
Okay. But Dr. So-and-so, issue notice, returnable 2 weeks. Mr. J.P. Moore, Learned Counsel, accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents,
No, Lordship, 2 to 4.
2 to 4.
What is Union of India only?
India, who is appearing? CGSC Namata DD. CGSC. Respondent number 1, 2.
What was it?
Issue notice on the returnable on the prayer for interim relief,
Not what.
also returnable by 2 weeks. Also, Paki, considering so no coercive measure be taken. I will give a date, Mr.
Follow,
Sir,
follow.
will give it. April 1st to 15. 3 weeks, but 2 weeks में लगेंगे जी. Yes. 8/4.
My lord, in the case now,
8/4.
in this case, my lord,
Second one.
there was some delay in filing of the appeal.
Where do I get that proviso?
Providing Service Tax Act, no Finance Tax Act. In the petition, I think it must be.
It was not quoted. Means normally it is always there in your.
Well,
petition.
normally it is.
But the officer, Commissioner Appeals in page 65 has quoted only 3A,
Line, my lord,
only 1 3.
that Finance Act आना नहीं. Lord,
It's okay. You can make your submissions. It's only on that point.
well, only thing that the period was under the condonable delay, 1 month.
29 days exceed 2 months.
Months.
And you say that the proviso provides for 1 more month.
1 more month.
And you had submitted a condonation application,
Petition.
but that was not considered.
That has been mechanically dismissed, only the condonation petition rejected.
Only the main body of the proviso was taken. The main body of the section was taken, but the proviso was.
Provided was not taken. Well, 1 month extra, that.
Yes, Mr. Moore.
Lordship, some time may be given for instruction, Lordship.
Is the you have your instructions? We'll have it on Wednesday. If this is the position, we'll set aside this order. We'll
Lord,
ask the Commissioner Appeals to relook into the matter. That much
Lord,
only. Why keep
Lord,
this matter?
Lord,
Mr. Sarab, that would do.
That will do.
On the prayer of Mr. J.P. Moore, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. S. Chetia, Learned Studying Council, CGST, registry to list this matter again on Friday.
Friday, Lordship.
So till then, my lord.
Also, till then, no coercive action be taken against the petitioner in the matter.
All right, Lord.
Only give me that.
Well, I will certainly will provide you, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord.
No, it's okay. Matter. Yes, Mr. Deb, how can we help you? How can we help you?
Sir, Hajira.
Hajira, forget it. Your face is enough. That is Hajira for me. Yes, how can I help you?
My
What
lord,
happened to your divorce petitions?
ma'am, divorce petition. My lord, please.
Divorce petition ki hol apunar?
Divorce petition, set aside petition, I am submitting before the honorable.
You use a language which is comfortable to you. Any language which is comfortable to you. Okay.
তো আমি জমা দিয়েছি সেট অ্যাসাইড পিটিশনটা 28/1/2026-এ। তো যখন আমি জমা দিয়েছি তখন আমাকে অনারেবল লার্নের ট্রায়াল কোর্ট আমার মানে সেট অ্যাসাইড পিটিশনটা রিজেক্ট করে দিয়েছে।
Where is the order? Orderটা কোথায়?
অর্ডারটা আইএ পিটিশনে আছে।
IA file করছো?
হ্যাঁ, আইএ পিটিশন।
IA আছে নি? There is no IA here. IA আহা নাই ইয়াতে। রেকর্ডত আহা নাই। কেতিয়া ফাইল কৰিছে?
ফাইল করেছি আমি গত বুধবারে, গত ওয়েডনেসডে।
আপনি অ্যাপিল করুন।
Wednesday filing করেছি, but
Wednesday,
হ্যাঁ Wednesday, last Wednesday,
filing number?
filing number আমার মোবাইলে আছে।
দেখুন। Mr. Gogoi,
Filing number,
help him. This is a
Filing
proceeding.
number
There is, it's before
3667.
the district court. A wife had filed a divorce petition. There was an order of ex parte. He did not file his affidavit, ex parte proceedings. Now he filed an application for setting aside of that ex parte. Then that he says is now dismissed. I
Then
appeal
again,
will lie
it is
under
a- it is-
96, section 96. Appeal will lie.
That petition is not maintainable.
এটা আপনি রিট পিটিশন কেন করছো?
রিট পিটিশন করেছি কারণ হচ্ছে কি আমার ডিভোর্সটা যে আমার যে
না ডিভোর্সটা আপনার ডিস্ট্রিক্ট কোর্টে আছে।
ডিস্ট্রিক্ট কোর্টের
সো সিপিসি অ্যাপ্লাই করব ওখানে।
হ্যাঁ
সো সিপিসি অ্যাপ্লাই করলে আপনার ও যা যেটা আমরা বাংলা অল্প খারাপ, হ্যাঁ, এই যেটা আমরা আপনার ও রিজেকশন অর্ডার দ্যাট ইজ অ্যাপিলেবল, ওটার আপনি
অ্যাপিল করে দিয়েছি ম্যাডাম।
অ্যাপিল করছে?
অ্যাপিল করেছি স্যার,
কখনে করছো?
অ্যাপিল করেছি 28/1/2026
না, কোথায় করছো? ফরম
লোয়ার কোর্ট,
না, লোয়ার কোর্ট কোথায়?
শ্রীভূমি
ডিস্ট্রিক্ট জাজ,
ডিস্ট্রিক্ট এডিশনাল ডিস্ট্রিক্ট জাজ,
ওখানে অ্যাপিল করছে?
অ্যাপিল করে
অ্যাপিলটা কি হয়েছে?
অ্যাপিলটা ওরা রিজেক্ট করে দিয়েছে।
অ্যাপিল নেই, ওটা আপনার ওটা রিজেক্ট করছে, সেটিং অ্যাসাইড এ প্রেয়ার
সেটিং এর প্রেয়ার রিজেক্ট করে
তার অর্ডার এগেইনস্ট আপনি অ্যাপিল করেনি?
এরপর আবার অ্যাপিল।
কারণ এখানে আমি করব কি, আপনার আমি তো কিছু করতে পারবো না, এখানে আমার জুরিসডিকশন নেই।
ওরা এক্সপার্টি প্রসিডিং চালাচ্ছে স্যার আমার এগেইনস্টে।
Yes, Mr. Bhaskar, Mr. Kumar. A divorce petition filed by the wife before the, it's not before the family court, it's before the district judge, title suit registered. Therein he did not file his, what do you call that? Written statement. The court proceeded ex parte against him. There is an order. Against that, he also came before this court and also filed a application for setting aside. Now that setting aside application has been rejected. An appeal will lie.
Yes. Means before this court.
No. Before the logo. Now what can we do in this writ petition here?
No. Writ petition is under 226 or 227.
No,
Also my title suit divorce
Is it under 226 or 227?
27 also, I cannot, because there is a alternative provision, there is an appeal provision there.
I also my lord my suit, my own suit disposed, my own suit totally disposed. 311
What happened to that?
Huh?
That order is not here.
order here,
Come.
order IA petition.
All in the IA. Tell me when you can come. After Bihus
28
of
April.
April. They heard the petitioner in person. The petitioner in person submits that an IA interlocutory application has been filed by him on.
Telangana matter under Supreme Court because big borrow and still.
3467/2026 filing number. Date 23/2026.
2020.
23
23
2026. 20 March.
20 March 2026. Registered to list this matter along with the said interlocutory application on 28/4/2026. Please look into this, whether we can proceed or not.
But in a
Otherwise, you'll be
civil
wasting your
matter-
time here.
Well, in a similar matter, I lost here, I lost, it was an ex parte order. When I went to the Supreme Court, on first day, they just said that big borrow still, give it all.
Mr. Dev, please look into it. If you can show a way out, we are with you.
My lord, in this case, my lord, we are agreed by an employee report, my lord. That is at page number, my lord, 69, my lord. My lord, here the concerned officer, my lord, they did not, my lord, actually form the scrutiny committee, my lord, as required.
Now, tell me, Mr. Chaudhary, when this person was given the certificate in the first instance, naturally you had to make a recommendation there. Your association is required to make a representation, a recommendation, then only
Our
we
association
say,
didn't make any recommendation.
sure.
Yes, my lord. Some council, but that council does not exist, my lord. To my,
Be that as it may, some council representing that community had made a recommendation in his favor.
they made, but that council doesn't exist, my lord. Yes.
What is the date of this order?
My lord, actually, there is no date given in the enquiry report. It is enquiry report is given to the additional district commissioner, my lord, by the order dated 12/2/26, my lord. That is annexure 12, my lord.
Hmm.
In connection with annexure 12, my lord, this enquiry report was, my lord, submitted. Here, my lord, our.
The state level scrutiny committee had not examined the.
No.
Why?
They have not, they simply that given the matter to one additional assistant commissioner, my lord, and assistant commissioner only gave the enquiry report. my
Show
lord.
me your complaint.
Complaint, my lord, we have made various complaints, my lord, starting from annexure 8, my lord. Annexure 8, we have made various complaints, my lord. Annexure 8, series page 43 onwards, my lord. To the different authorities, we have been making complaint, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Suket.
It is premature at this stage. Let me get instructions because
No, Mr. Choike, you get one instruction. If it is the status of that person as a member of a Koibotta community, because they say that he belongs to Kiot. Kiot is not a
it's a OBC. according
OBC actually, and Koibotta is a reserve, it's
to
SC community.
scheduled caste.
If it is the status of the petitioner, of the Mr. Kumar, which is under challenge, how can an assistant commissioner decide that? It will have to go before the state level scrutiny committee.
That is precisely the instructions I have to obtain. It is on the way coming.
Okay.
So let a notice be issued.
I'll issue a notice.
It's a notice.
Even
All of basically.
Yes.
I'll only speak on it. So where Madhuri Patil is concerned, Supreme Court has made it that any dispute in regarding this present case, it has to go before the Caste Scrutiny Committee. Only when the Caste Scrutiny Committee rejects it or allows it, then the High Court will have the jurisdiction.
But see, this issue, when it went before the deputy commissioner,
Yes.
he ought not to have referred it to an assistant commissioner. He should have referred it.
He has no jurisdiction.
He should have immediately referred it to the secretary.
No,
He can't go.
But he cannot refer. They have to go to the state level scrutiny committee. It is constituted by the government in terms of that case after 10 years.
But when a question is raised before the issuing authority,
Yes,
then is not the issuing authority also required to forward it? Yes, we know.
yes. That's why they.
Let Mr. Soikia get his instructions in the matter.
And
But
at the
Mr.
end of the day, it has to be looked by them.
I, Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Soikia, learned Advocate General, appearing for the state, and Mr. B. D. Kumar,
That's
learned
number 11.
counsel representing the respondent. Mr. Soikia, you are assisted by?
I am assisted by R. Das and
R.
Dipti.
Now, just write down your names, counsels. Mr. Kumar also, who is assisting you. The petitioner in the present petition has assailed an inquiry report. An inquiry report submitted by the Assistant Commissioner, New Gauhati Co-District, Kamrup Metropolitan District, which was forwarded to the Additional District Commissioner via a communication dated 12/2026 with regard to the caste status of the respondent number 11. So the petitioner's content that the respondent number 11 does not belong to the scheduled caste, to the notified, does not belong to any of the subcaste notified under the scheduled caste category
Order.
for the state of Assam. Also, issue notice returnable 4 weeks. Mr. R. M. Das, learned counsel assisting Mr. D. Saikia, Learned Advocate General, comma, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 also. 5,
We can
4,
appear
5,
on behalf of all lordship.
7, oh, no,
Yes.
8, 9, 8 and 9.
State 8 and 9, we are not appearing, lordship.
Okay, you'll be appearing for, Mr. Das? Just write down in a piece of paper.
8 and 9 lordship notice may go.
Bishop, Mr. B. B.D. Kumar, learned senior, who is assisting Mr. So and so assisting Mr. B.D. Kumar, accepts notice.
For
of
12,
lesson number 11. Rest, we will go, we'll issue notice.
notice.
Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the unrepresented respondent. Steps within 3 working days from today. Registry to list this matter immediately after completion of 4 weeks. On the returnable date, the learned counsel for the respondent shall, learned counsel for the parties shall address this court as to whether the status of the respondent number 11 would be mandated to be so examined by the state level scrutiny committee constituted for the purpose.
Lordship. Highly obliged, lordship.
Hello, here, my lord, the petitioners are, my lord, their lands has been damaged, my lord, due to dumping of soil and art materials, my lord.
No joint verification carried out till date.
Nothing, my lord, only, my lord, they are silent, my lord, your lordship.
Who is appearing for the, it will be by the
National Highway.
NC Hills authorities who is appearing. Mr. Das is to appear.
Yes.
Call him. The thing would have to be taken by NC Hills authorities.
My lord, they have to cause a verification into this.
Get Mr. Das, we will pass the order.
My lord.
We get Mr. Das.
He's coming, my lord.
Mr. Das, why are you sitting tight over this matter? Why your authorities are not taking any step? There are cases that their lands were destroyed due to construction of the national highway.
Lordship.
NHIDCL may have many things to say, but the first instance, you will have to make a verification. If required, a joint verification.
Lordship.
Wait, come back.
Lordship, definitely.
Huh?
Lordship, wait.
That
Or
is
should
our-
we dispose it of?
Dispose of, my lord. That is our prayer, my lord.
What do you say?
Lordship, me.
If you have not gone through, go through. I'll
Lordship.
take it up after some time.
Lordship, lordship. I will.
Ms. Bora, you have no objection to that?
All right.
When you are ready, just inform me.
Lordship, lordship. I will.
Lordship. They are facing the eviction notices without following the due process.
Now you have been given a notice
Yes,
and you have replied to that.
yes. But
So
they
at
say,
as far as this court is concerned, this court can draw a presumption that you understood what you were to be, what you had to do. Now, what is should be the course of action to be adopted? They cannot evict you without disposing of those
Yes.
representations. That much only.
yes. Therefore, my lord, the
Notice and reply part gone, lordship, they are
Done.
done.
Then the rest part.
Rest
they'll have
part,
to pass
rest
speaking
part,
orders.
Following Abdul Khalik.
Exactly, Abdul Khalik. Abdul Khalik, the principle, the spirit can come.
Lordship.
Abdul Khalik is not
Otherwise,
representing-
Salakuddin.
Why Salahuddin?
Salakuddin.
Mr. Monto, what do you say?
yes, my lord, kindly see, we have annexed that
Last one, please.
decision of collateral bands also
Hmm.
at page 520.
Now, we will hold that the notice was treated as a show cause notice and you have submitted your representations.
Yes,
We'll ask them to pass appropriate
yes,
orders.
just give a proper hearing and dispose of, consider
A
everything.
hearing was not provided for in the Abdul Khalik.
No, my lord, that is
You have
why-
brought your
no,
documents also.
Sorry,
You have brought the documents.
Yes.
They'll have to take a call on that only.
yes, no, if necessary, personal hearing, because we are there for decades together.
I know, I got it.
Therefore, and what is the meaning of? Unless I am hard, if they do not get the.
Your hearing would be with regard to the notices. notice reply you have given,
Yes,
therein you have brought certain documents.
yes,
We'll ask them to take a call
Yeah.
by recording those documents.
exactly. And if necessary, personal hearing should be given. Because it will meet the requirement of law.
How many are there?
Here in this petition, how many are there?
113,
113,
114.
114.
It will be difficult during this
And this is a representation.
election period.
Well, election outstanding. Otherwise.
Mr.
also-
Sharma, are you planning to evict them within this month?
Today I cannot say. Today I cannot
What they
say, but,
say is,
but,
we are
but,
under
but,
the.
but my learned senior
we
friend
cannot
is
say.
relying on a judgment lordship that is already annexed here. And by this judgment lordship, it is affording opportunities of personal hearing, all things are
All
there.
things are there.
Only here that they were given 20 days time to file their representation,
we have
reply.
already filed.
That has already been, that part has already over.
But Mr. K.K. Monto, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr.
M. Ali.
M.
M. Ali.
M. Ali, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. N. Bodoloi, Learned Standing Counsel, Revenue and Disaster Management Department, appearing for the respond number 1, and Mr. H. Sharma, Learned Government Advocate, appearing, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate, appearing for the respond number
2 to 6.
4, 5, and 6. The petitioners in the present petition has raised a grievance with regard to as consented to by the Learned Counsel for the parties, the present petition is taken up for final consideration at the motion stage itself and is being disposed of by this order. Also, the petitioner in the present petition has presented a challenge to the notices issued to them, notices all dated 2/2/2026, issued to each of the petitioners herein, requiring the petitioners to vacate the land and land purportedly encroached by them on or before 17/2/2026. They said notice also stipulates that in the event any of the petitioners have any claim regarding the land under their possession, they are to submit a representation along with require relevant documents to the respondent authorities on or before 17/2/2026. Full stop. The petitioners project that, full stop, as agreed to by the Learned Counsel for the parties, full stop. The petitioners in the petition have projected that in pursuance to the notices received by them, the petitioners have individually submitted their claims along with documents in support of such claims before the circle officer, Boitamari Revenue Circle. However, the said representations are yet to be disposed of, and the petitioners have also not been issued with any notices requiring their appearance before the authority considering the said claims made by the petitioners in the said representations. Mr. K.K. Monto, Learned Senior Counsel, has fairly submitted that the respondent authorities are required to be directed to dispose of the claims made by the petitioners in their respective representations after affording to them a due opportunity of hearing. He submits that the present petition may be disposed of by requiring the respondent authorities to dispose of the claims made by the petitioners in their individual representations after providing to them a due opportunity of hearing. The said prayer is not disputed by Mr. H. Sharma and Ms. N. Bodoloi and Ms. H. Sharma, Learned Counsels appearing for the respondents. Also, in view of the above consensus reached in the matter by and between the parties, this court This court is of the considered view that the present writ petition need not be detained any further for consideration and can be disposed of with the following directions.
From case 528, from 3 onwards, Lordship, most probably this is.
That is done. The petitioners having submitted their representations in the matter, comma, who will now consider? Circular officer.
DC, Lordship, DC Commission.
The jurisdictional deputy commissioner, or is there a co-district commissioner?
Lordship, that is
Or
a
the
co-district commission.
co-district commission, within whose jurisdiction the lands in question of the lands purportedly under encroachment by the petitioners are situated, shall consider the representations submitted in the matter by the petitioners in pursuance to the notice dated 2/2/2026, comma, after affording an opportunity of personal hearing to the petitioners who have already submitted their such representations. The said hearing, when?
No,
We'll fix a date.
no, Lordship, here, if your Lordship comes to 530, page 530, in this regard, it shall be open to the district commissioner Bongaigaon or the co-district commissioner to fix a date for passing the speaking order, and during this period, they will be protected. So that will be better.
When do you want them to, or your district commissioner will inform them?
Lordship, that is why after informing them, Lordship,
Okay.
they will fix a date.
The district commissioner or the co-district commissioner or jurisdictional district commissioner or the jurisdictional co-district commissioner, as the case may be, shall issue notices to each of the petitioners after scheduling a date for hearing the petitioners with regard to their claims made in the petition, made in the representation submitted by them in the matter. Also, after next, after conclusion of the process of hearing, the district commissioner, jurisdictional district commissioner and the jurisdictional co-district commissioner shall pass speaking orders with regard to the respective claims made by each of the petitioners and communicate the speaking orders to the petitioners, granting them further 15 days time, full stop, to the petitioners, full stop. In the event the claims made by the petitioners are found not to be acceptable, the speaking order issued in the matter shall provide further 15 days time to each of the petitioners so found, whose claim is not found to be acceptable, comma, to vacate the land presently under their occupation. Also, during the period till completion of 15 days from the date of issuance of a speaking order in terms of the directions passed herein above, no coercive action shall be taken against the petition. However, on conclusion of the period of 15 days from the date of passing of the speaking, from the date of passing of the speaking order, comma, if the occasion so arises, or comma, the state would be entitled to proceed to take steps for eviction of the petitioners from the land occupied by them at present. With the above observations and directions, the present petition stands disposed.
15 days from the date of communication.
From the date of issue, from the date of service of such notice upon the petitioners.
All right.
Two grounds. No show cause notice, summary given. And you say it is time bound.
I'm but I will have to seek the instruction now.
Don't
There
take
are
any,
limitation part now.
don't take any coercive action now in between. Because these 2 points
Yes.
we find is now common.
No, that.
Why are you not issuing a show cause
Oh, yes,
notice?
focus part, my lord, of course, I will have to take.
That is a requirement of the law.
71.
Heard Ms. M.L. Gop, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Gogoi, learned additional advocate general appearing for the state, for all the respondents?
All the respondents.
For the state, for all the respondents. Mr. Gogoi submits that he be granted time till 1/4/2026 to complete his instructions in the matter. Also, considering the nature of the issue arising in the present petition, it is provided that till the next returnable date, the respondents shall not take any coercive action against the petition.
Item 13 is similar.
Hmm?
13 is also similar.
13 same.
Same.
13. Okay, 13 same. 13.
Check.
You are for? Well, you are for in which item? Which one?
Perform a response.
You are not there in item number 12.
13 is there.
13. Also heard Mr. B.N. Gogoi. Learned CGC. Learned Standing Council, GST. No, CGST.
Which of that?
Mr. Gogoi, I may not get you after some time, but your filing rate of affidavits is very, very dismissive. It's not a very good picture I'm getting today going through the files. Wherever you are there, much time is being taken. Why?
Lordship, I had already filed.
Okay, when the matters come up, you tell me the authority who is not giving you instructions. I'll get the authority here. You just think over it. There are a few matters today. So I don't know whether it's adjourned or not.
Yes.
But it seems that the matters, affidavits are not coming on record. Revenue matters, this delay will not be accepted by this court. And in all the cases, there are some interim orders. If they have a good case, come and openly say before this court that we made a mistake, give us an opportunity to rectify it. But why are you moving away from filing affidavits?
Lordship,
They are not giving you instructions properly.
yes, that is one
Okay.
of the issue.
You give me the name of the officer to whom you had written,
Now, what
and
is
we will see what we can do.
department have been changed and officers have been changed, Your Lordship.
Department is there, officers may change.
That
It's
is
a
the-
continuity. Just keep this in mind
Yes,
and
sir.
point it out.
Lordship,
You are an officer of the court.
Lordship.
You point it out to me. I'll do the needful. Don't worry about it. Hello to sir. Yeah, 13. Who is the accountant general?
Boris
You-
is representing my lord.
You will be for 5.
I will be 5 here.
Your name? R. Doctor on behalf of Mr. S.K. Medi, CGC, and Mr. D.N. Gogoi, CGST. You complete your instructions, let him complete. Yes.
I'm deeply obliged, Lord.
Item 14, Lord.
Your case has not been sent to the nodal officer.
No.
Yes, who is appearing? Yes, Mr. Das. Why the case is not, you have now laid down a procedure. The government has laid down a procedure, page 42.
That's fine.
Why are you not following this? Page 42, 43, you come to clause 3. Yes, there was a lacuna because that procedure was, SOP was not laid down. Now the SOP has come.
If this also is not followed, my lord, I think there is a provision according to right to fair public act, my lord, and appeal lies. I'll get the instruction.
How far a citizen, how far a citizen would run? You have bound yourself with this. Follow that.
I'll get the instruction.
When?
1 week, might.
What Mr. M. Khan learned.
Oh, my lord, Sri Bhumi.
Bhumi.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not in mass.
No,
Here only.
I'll come some days by election time.
No, election will go on one side. This is, you mean to say the whole state missionary is stopped?
1 week, 1 week.
But Mr. M. Khan, on account of the petitioner. Also heard Mr. N.
Now I
Das.
get notice.
You are appearing, Ms. Bodley?
In 3 years.
Also heard Ms. N. Bodley, learned Planning Council, Revenue and Disaster Management, and Mr. N. Das, learned Government Advocate. Mr. N. Das, submits that Miss N. Bodloy and Miss N. Das submits that they be granted time till 6/4/2026
Yes.
to complete their instructions in the matter. Also, they accepted a registry to list this matter again on 6/4/2026 on the said date of listing. The learned counsel for the respondents would apprise this court as to whether the application submitted by the petitioner for issuance of NOC for sale of land has been considered in terms of the procedure laid down in the notification dated 9/9/2025.
Obliged.
Lordship, let joint verification be done, Lordship, and Lordship may keep the matter pending, Lordship. Otherwise, if Lordship dispose of the matter within a time, means keeping a time frame, finding a time frame, then after, if the time frame elapses, means after.
Okay. Heard Mr. B. Bowa, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. Also heard Mr. R.M. Das, standing counsel, NC Hills Autonomous Council, and Ms. R. Bora, a learned standing counsel, NHAI. Also, issue notice returnable 4 weeks. Mr. R.M. Das, and also also Ms. M. Borman, learned government advocate. Mr. R.M. Das accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, 3.
2 and 4.
2 and while Ms. M. Borman, government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of R.M. Das 2 and 4, Potomote M. Borman Likiba, 1 and 3. And Ms. R. Bora, learned counsel for learned, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 5, standing counsel NHA. As all the respondents are represented, no formal notice is to be issued. However, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall serve requisite extra copies of the petition upon the learned counsel for the petitioners. Also, the petitioners in the present proceeding have raised a grievance that their land has been destroyed, has been adversely affected on account of construction of two-lane highway.
Yes.
Two-lane highway by the NHAI authorities. Also, the petitioners further contend that although they had approached the concerned authorities praying for an assessment of the damage caused to their respective, how many petitioners are there?
7, my lord.
To their respective lands, the respondents have not taken any steps.
9, my lord, sorry, 9, my lord.
9, okay. Have not taken any steps in the matter. Accordingly, being agreed, the petitioners have instituted the present writ petition. Considering the nature of the grievance raised in the present writ petition, this court is of the this court directs the respondent Number 3.
4, my lord.
4.
Taken 4.
Very good. Respond number 4, to constitute a joint verification committee and by including therein representatives of the NC Hills Autonomous Council, the National Highway Authority of India, the revenue authorities, as well as the petitioners herein, to carry out a verification of the damage stated to have been caused to the land possessed by the petitioners on account of construction of a road by the NHAI authorities. They said committee be constituted and the verification be completed before the next date of listing. So on the next date of listing, a report of the said committee be placed before this court by the respondent number 4, Mr. R.M. Deka, Standing Counsel, NC Hills Autonomous Council, in a seal cover. So, registry to list this matter again on 27/4/2026. 27/4. After the elections, I'm giving you something.
May I request some officials of the state, means district administration be also be involved?
Committee तो लिखी है revenue officials लिखी है तो revenue officials तो काटी दिया representative of the jurisdictional district commission.
District commission. Lots of deeply obliged.
I've got three options. One is a private complaint, another is complaint to the court, third one is this writ proceeding.
Page 28, my lord, my kindly pose. That matter was fixing on 27/3/2020 for appearance and SROs.
Where is the Mr. Sharma? Where is the latest order issued by the court?
This is the order.
26/2.
26/2. So matter was posted on lordship 27/2026 lordship. It is a total abuse of the process of the court lordship by filing this.
Mr. K. Gogoi, learned additional senior government advocate, shall on the next date of listing apprise this court after receiving instructions from the Superintendent of Police, Silchar, Pachar, and the officer in charge, Silchar Police Station.
Otherwise, lordship, my prayer is that lordship. Yes, because lordship, court is fixing the matter on 27/3 for service report lordship. The step in lordship.
I know. I'm there. As to whether the non-bailable warrant currently issued by the
Accused number one.
By the learned trial court against the accused number 1 in CR case number 3/2023, presently pending disposal in the court of the learned additional CJM Srirang BTR, has been executed, and if not, the reason for the same be placed on record on 26/3/2026.
Otherwise, I object regarding maintaining the repetition lordship.
That we'll see.
That part, my lord,
Mister, we are not even issuing a notice.
Lordship.
I've not even issued a notice.
When lordship,
Mr. Gogoi,
lordship.
repeated things have been issued,
Lordship.
but your Silchar people are sitting over the matter. I just want to know
Lordship.
as to why.
For that purpose, lordship, alternate remedy is there,
What is
lordship.
the alternative?
Alternate 84 is there, proclamation is there, lordship. Court will consider, lordship.
We'll see.
Court will consider, lordship. Court will consider, lordship, that part.
There may be a very good, genuine reason, but get me that.
Regarding obtaining instruction, I have no objection. Otherwise, this petition is not maintainable at
Fine,
this stage.
we'll dismiss the writ petition, but I want to see why my trial court's orders, the police is not even responding.
Even lordship, trial court.
I'll tell you one thing,
Lordship,
Mister, forget all this thing. Forget the legality. When a warrant is issued by a court, you cannot execute it for many X, Y, Z, many reasons will be there. You can't execute it in against a non-existent person. If the person is not there within your jurisdiction, admittedly you cannot. But are you not required to report that back to the court that see we have got your thing? Unfortunately, we have not done it.
For that purpose, Honorable Court is fixing the matter on 27/3, lordship.
It has fixed the matter. That's why I fixed the matter on 26. I want to know.
Even lordship, 100 times also, lordship, it is the duty of the court, lordship.
You give me.
Not 7 times.
You give me that instruction.
I will obtain the instruction and furnish before lordship. Otherwise, this will not maintain.
I'm not asking you to do it, but I want the instruction as to why the intimation was not given to the court. That much I was. Your
Otherwise, lordship.
Is it not the duty of your officers to report to the court that we could not execute it? Or if it is not, tell me, I'll modify it.
Lordship, I am not saying that it is not the duty. Otherwise, lordship, the whole burden will be shifted to the High Court. High Court have to do everything, lordship. Regarding issuance of notice, issuance of lordship, NBWA, lordship.
If that is
not the platform, lordship.
Mr. Gogoi, if that is required, we are doing many unnecessary things. We will do this also.
Lordship, I have no difficulty, lordship. I have no.
Then you get that instruction.
I have no.
We'll have it on 26, Mr.
Lordship.
Yes, who is appearing for the,
Panchayat, my lord. My lord,
that other person is continuing?
my lord,
What is the objection raised by the respondents on the last day?
my lord, regarding the maintainability in view of the provision of, my lord, there is a, my lord.
This is not an election petition. This is a election subsequent to the election. This is basically a selection.
Election,
How can an election petition be required here?
not required, my lord. My lordship has the power to adjudicate, my lord.
No, if we don't have the DC, we'll have but somebody, but
yes,
whether, why this plea of election petition?
No,
is
my
taken?
lord, the
Any
last
provision in the rules?
rules, my lord, is some.
Just show me. Panchayat Act.
127.
Panchayat Act.
My lord. My lord, may kindly turn to page 133, my lord. Panchayat Act section 127, my lord.
And
My lord, Constitution of Panchayat Election Tribunal. This is the heading, my lord. At page 133, section 127, my lord. May I read, my lord? The government shall constitute such Panchayat election tribunal as may be necessary on the recommendation of the to dispose of all direct election petitions. Now, my lord, this is not a direct, those for the ward members or who come directly by virtue of vote of the voters, my lord. Now, here is a case.
this is like selection of
Selection
the, of the speaker
Speakers, my lord.
or the selection of the chief minister or the prime minister
My lord.
declaration.
Afterwards, my lord. So, my
Who
lord,
is appearing for the state?
B. Datta appears last time, my lord, on behalf of the Panchayat. As the
And the section 10,
my lord, of the Panchayat Act.
it is except as provided in section 10 of this act.
No, no,
That
this-
is also excluded.
Excluded, my lord.
You get the Panchayat Council with it.
My lord.
Mr. We'll have it at 2 p.m. The order is being uploaded.
My lord, may I pray, my lord?
The order is being uploaded.
This matter will be taken up on day after tomorrow. There are
Sure.
several other matters fixed, my lord. I'm awaiting some instruction of this case, my lord.
No, that other order, we are uploading it today because Friday it
Yes,
was
sir.
late night. Yesterday and Sunday was holidays. So I'll have to sign it. I'll go down and I'll sign it and it will be uploaded.
My lord,
We will consider this at 2. Just get that order for
Day after tomorrow, my lord.
day after tomorrow.
my lord, day after tomorrow, I am not available, my lord, for some medical reasons, my lord. May I pray that all these matters may be taken up on Friday, my lord?
Friday, I will be out of Gauhati, my lord.
Thursday.
Thursday, from Wednesday onwards, my lord, I will be out of Gauhati. Let it be on
Then
Wednesday first.
next Monday, my lord.
Next,
2 o'clock. 2 o'clock.
this matter.
Please, my lord.
That order will be uploaded
My-
now so that you can also go through if there is anything further to be done.
My
Tell
lord.
me.
Bless.
Itu Govinda Commission. Sign query.
The impeachment petition.
You are the petitioner. No,
My lord, I.
you are for the proposed respondent.
My lord.
Who is for the petitioner?
I appeal for the petitioner, Lordship.
What objection can you have here?
Lordship, two aspects.
Ah.
The challenge is to the order of the Assistant Registrar of Cooperative
Fine.
Societies.
Fine.
Lordship, even if I succeed, Lordship, or even if I don't succeed, Lordship, there will be a fresh voting in any case.
Be that as it may.
Lordship, there was a
This everything they'll have a right to say because it is on their application
My
that
lord.
this was done.
Lordship.
There was a motion.
Yes.
There was a motion made, and in that motion, rightly, wrongly, you were
Voting. I voted.
that is a very frivolous plea taken. You were true.
Yes.
There was some 7-8 votes only against you, 9 votes
9
against
votes
you.
against me, yes.
A minimum 13. A
Total
3/4.
13, yes.
3/4 of 13 would be 9.75 or something.
10, Lord, yes.
10.
10.
So 10 was admittedly not there.
Yes.
So that election
Yes.
had that no confidence motion was lost.
Yes. Great.
So now the subsequent order, only the merit we have to see
Right.
whether that is right or wrong.
Right.
Now, he may have or we can take it up today only. You make your submissions, we'll consider it finally. Why keep these matters?
My Lordship may allow me to place the written objections on record, Lordship.
No, we have given you time. You were already given time on 27/2.
My Lord. In
Nearly
that
1
case,
month.
Lordship may allow the impleadment and.
Oh, yeah,
then-
taking it up for final disposal. What more is required? You just satisfy me on that
Yes,
page 24. Sir, counsel, we have implemented you.
My Lord.
We are taking it up for final disposal.
My Lord. Lordship will have section 36 of the Cooperative
Yeah.
Societies Act.
Cooperative society. Who is appearing for the cooperative society?
Mr. Talukdar.
Where is Mr. Talda?
It's not health issues.
Hope he will be filed till Friday. A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. S. Talukdar, Learned Standing Counsel, Corporation Department, for an adjournment in the matter on the ground that he is indisposed. Register to list this matter again on Friday. We are disposing it of. You make it, you consider yourself impeded, we will dispose it.
My Lord. My Lord.
But Mr. Counsel, tentative view, what the Assistant Registrar Cooperative Societies has said may not be correct. The bar is that he cannot preside. There is no bar in him participating, voting. Why will he not vote? If there is something to show that he could not have, kindly come armed with that. None appears for the applicant on call. Ms. D. Monto, Learned Counsel, is present for
Respondent 2, 7 and 8, Lordship.
for opposite party
2, 7 and 8.
2, 7, and 8.
On behalf of Mr. H.K. Das.
On behalf of Mr. H. Kedas. Register to list this matter again after 3 weeks on a date to be expired.
Pledge, Lordship.
Yes. Mr. Talukdar,
Yes, Lord.
which is the courier service that goes to heaven or hell? Because the man is dead. Now, if I have to send a notice to him, I'll have to use a courier service. You know, tell me, I'll direct.
Lordship, but thing is that Lordship in the year 2000, Lordship, his pension was rejected on the basis that during existence of his first
That
wife.
man is no longer there in this world. You have said that proceed against him. How
Lordship,
will they proceed?
Lordship, I've been told that pension paper is in the office of the chief engineer, Lordship. They are preparing the pension proposal.
No, they are not preparing.
Yes, Lordship, I have the,
They are not preparing. They are preparing to meet your objections.
and Lordship, in respect of succession certificate, Lordship. for-
Where is that objection of the AG?
Yes. Page 30, Lordship. Annexure 6.
Now you have Junufa Bibi.
Yes, Lord.
You have the whole line of cases before that.
Lordship.
So the second wife is entitled. Now, under 143, it says eldest surviving wife.
Now she is the eldest.
Eldest surviving wife. So the first wife is also gone. Now who is left? The second wife.
Second wife.
So she is
Lordship, if
entitled.
department sanction, Lordship, we will authorize, Lordship.
You have not authorized. They had given it to you because of this objection.
Lordship, in the year 2018, it was returned, Lordship.
Be that as it may. Be that as it may. Now tell me, after the death of the man, how can a proceeding be initiated? Just tell me that. I want to know that. Because I've been finding such objections being taken by you and the Director of Pensions very regularly. That day I asked the Director of Pension to give me the name of the courier service which goes
Because,
to
Lordship, that objection was made in the year 2018, Lordship, as per rules, Lordship, conduct rules, Lordship.
You cannot after the death of the man. You knew the man was dead on that day. You knew the man was dead. You knew the man
Yes,
was
yes,
dead.
Lordship, that
If
is
a
true,
man
Lordship,
is dead, all crime goes
Rule
along.
says, Lordship, during existence of first wife, Lordship,
Which
second.
rule? There are
Conduct-
decisions of this court
Lordship,
which says that second marriage is permissible. And mind you, 143 says eldest surviving wife. How could you go beyond 143? I'll now impose a very big interest on you. This AG office will have to be for this frivolous objection list. If you want time to make submissions, fine, or withdraw this letter, we will ask them to write a letter to them to give the pension proposal, processes, issue the pension payment order, next date, give it to me.
Lordship.
Mr. R.K. Talukdar, Learned Standing Counsel, AG, submits that the pension proposal, which was rejected by the accountant, by the Office of the Accountant General, bracket A&E Assam, on the ground that the husband of the petitioner, during the subsistence of his life of the first wife, had married for the second time without obtaining permission, was rejected and sent back to the department concerned. This court queried Mr. R.K. Talukdar as to how a proceeding would now be maintainable against the husband of the petitioner, who has already passed away in the year 2008 itself. In view of the above, Mr. Talukdar submits that the Office of the Accountant General A&E Assam would write to the office of the concerned Office of the Public Works Department for resubmission of the pension proposal in the name of the petitioner herein. He further assures that on receipt of the said pension proposal, necessary processing would be made and the final pension, family pension, and the FPPO and the GPO would be issued. Also, this court directs the respondent authorities in the PWD department to immediately forward the pension proposal of the petitioner in the name of the petitioner to the Office of the Accountant General, bracket A&E Assam. Also, the Accountant General shall process the matter. However, and also prepare the FPPO and GPO involved. However, the same shall not be issued to the petitioner till the next returnable date. Registry to list this matter again on when?
Lordship, after reaching the paper.
I have directed they'll send
within
within 1 week, Black Video. 1 week you're getting it. When?
Lordship, after getting Lordship, we'll
1 month?
15 days, Lordship.
15 days. Okay, we'll have it on 30th of April. Registry to list this matter again on 30/4/2026 for further hearing. Mr. Talukdar, don't release that FPPO and GPO because first wife did not get the pension. So her heirs will have a right. There is a succession certificate together. So there is also pensionary benefit, GPF, that and all. That the second wife is not solely, will apportion that on the next date of this. You just make it ready because it will have to be received by her. We will ask her to transfer the amounts.
Lordship.
And ask your officers once the man is dead.
Lordship, by this time, Lordship, department be directed, Lordship, to immediately forward the pension.
We are forwarding it within 1 week. They are forwarding it. Yes, what is your decision?
I submit myself to your Lordship's jurisdictions. And my Lord, St. Mary's does not help me. St. Mary's does not help me, but Janajaya Paul, my Lord, it helps me. Subject to what Lordship says, ultimately, my respectful submission, my Lord, the similar matter of the same parties, my Lord, not exactly same parties.
There is no dispute that the bank may be discharging a public function.
Yes.
But when it is intra,
right,
the employer and the employee,
got it.
St. Mary's will come in.
St. Mary's will get, that is what, my Lord.
Yes, what do you have to say?
It's a private body, Your Lordship.
Yes, you know.
It's not a private body.
Take your
It's
seat.
not a private body.
Now satisfy me.
Then misconstrued. This is a misconstruction of the word private body. My Lord,
we will do the needful. You satisfy me.
My Lord, I admit, and my opening statement was before your Lordship that I submit myself to your Lordship.
What we do is we withdraw you will permit you to withdraw this with liberty to approach the appropriate forum.
But the time that I spent here.
That we are saying that is under section 14
14, my lord.
of, you can always do that.
But that,
Heard Mr. Dr. A. Shamua, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms.
M. Basumatari.
M. Bosumatari, learned counsel, appearing for,
Cooperative,
for the bank.
Industrial Cooperative Bank.
For
the
the,
bank.
for the Industrial Cooperative Bank respondents, that is the respond number 1, 2. Also heard Mr. P. Pukan, learned counsel, appearing for the respondent number 3 and 4. Dr. Chamua, after attempting to argue the matter at some length, has submitted that in view of the preliminary objection taken with regard to the maintainability of the present writ petition before this court, considering that the Industrial Cooperative Bank is not a bank constituted by the government under any statute, but is a bank operating under the provisions of the Cooperative Act.
Assam Cooperative
Assam Cooperative Societies Act 2007, the issue being one of a dispute between the employer and the employee, the present writ petition may not be maintainable. Accordingly, he be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition with liberty to approach the appropriate forum for redressal of the grievance raised in the present proceedings by the petitioner. The learned counsel for the respondents have not objected to this prayer made by the petitioner. So, in view of the above, while permitting the in view of the above, the present writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal. However, liberty is granted to the petitioners to approach the appropriate forum for redressal of their grievances. In the event the petitioners institute such proceedings before the appropriate forum, while being faced with the question of delay in instituting such proceedings before it, shall consider the fact that the present writ petitions have remained pending disposal before this court since the year 2021, and on such consideration proceed to consider the prayer of the petitioner for condonation of such delay. So, with the donation of such delay, with the above, subject to the liberty so granted to the petitioner, the present writ petition stands dismissed on writ.
My lord, if lordship would be pleased to mention that section 14 of the limitation.
It is known there is a judicial officer sitting there in the industrial tribunal as well as in the labor court. If it doesn't come, file a review, I am there. Come back to me.
Just one sentence, my lord, this will suffice.
You just made me prepare yesterday night also.
My lord, I know that the Janajaya Paul is helping me, but lordship is not looking into it, my lord. This judgment helps me, my lord. Janajaya Paul, this judgment helped me, my lord. I sincerely praying on the last date also. Similar set of facts, my lords, by the same parties. This has not been declared redundant by any superior forum. I can submit myself to your lordship's jurisdiction, nothing more than that, but this judgment saved me, my lord. This judgment saved me, my lord. And there are instances that this bank was amenable to the jurisdiction. There was no objection.
Come to para 33.
Of this?
Of this. Supreme Court in power exercise of its 142 powers can do beyond everything. In normal course, we would have been inclined to accept the submission, that is at para 32 submission of the respondents, and would also have granted liberty to the appellant to approach the tribunal in terms of the guide directions given by the Constitution. But since in the case, the single judge not only entertained the appellant's writ petition, but he also allowed on so-and-so, whereas the revision bench held the so-and-so and thus declined, we do not consider it proper to direct the appellant at this stage to approach the tribunal and file a dispute before the final tribunal. Instead, we consider it proper and remand the case to the division bench to decide the case on appeal. This is a power exercised by the Supreme Court.
I appreciate this. I appreciate this, but before that, my lord, Now
see in a
it
case.
is, since your lordship ordered it, now it will be an academic thing, my lord.
It is because I'm for your benefit. 4 years you have wasted here. Go and get your relief. Then come back to us. We are there. Yes.
My lord,
Obliged, sir.
Lordship, may I pray for a little accommodation in this matter? Department is written, your lordship. They need some time, your lordship. Can it be taken up after the BU holidays?
90. Does 90 provide for
Yes,
a ground giving you notice?
yes.
Where? Which provision?
Lordship. 93 provides that if the land is annulled
Hmm.
and if the owner offered the area land revenue.
Land revenue. Section, regulation
Regulation 90, lordship.
90.
Yes,
Yes, which one?
90 sub.
This was an estate. This was given to you, settled with you.
Yes, no, not settled. I have purchased on the
Purchase,
patta.
sale day. You
Yes.
had a patta on that.
Yes,
But you could not deposit the land revenue, so they annulled it.
annulled it.
Now, if for annulment is a procedure recite, it's not required.
Yes.
They can annul it directly.
No, there is a procedure.
There was a notice given to you in this
No.
matter? No notice.
No, no.
Where do I get the procedure? Procedure. For
Procedure,
annul.
lordship. That is in annulment settlement, that is
That is 90.
90.
Ah.
There is a rule, lordship.
Ah.
In the rule. here-
Yeah, just trying to get.
Yes.
These are something new for me.
Yes,
So I just
yes,
want
yes.
to understand.
For petition persuasion.
But there is an appeal provision also 150,
No,
147. No,
no,
no appeal
no
provision.
appeal. Because as per this 90,
Ah.
3,
Hmm.
sub regulation 3,
Hmm.
2, 1 and 3, lordship. Next page, lordship.
Hmm.
No land,
From land and revenue.
Roman 1, lordship. 90,
90,
90, then Roman 1, there is a
Roman 1, when
Yes.
it is under management. No.
no land,
No land.
no land, the settlement of which has been annulled on account of arrear will be resettled
With the
with the defaulter or with any member of a joint family to which the defaulter belongs without the special sanction of the deputy commissioner or subdivisional officer. Such sanction will not be given unless unless and until the arrears on account of which the settlement has been
Okay.
annulled have been first paid by the state. So therefore,
So you have approached the deputy commissioner.
yes, in our case, what happened? Land originally belongs to the Gwalpara district. Then Gwalpara bifurcated into
Where is your application? 36.
application, lordship. Because applications are not kept by the petitioner, therefore could not annex, lordship. The recent one we have annexed. What happened? Originally land belongs to the Gwalpara district. Then it comes to the Bongaigaon district. Then after BTC, it comes to the Sirang district. So for these reasons, the record perhaps misplaced by the authority.
We've written like, lordship, may
No,
kindly have a
they're
look
there.
at the communication matter.
No, I just wanted to know the
Yes.
background. That's
Yes.
Can it be in the second week of May, your lordship?
Me,
Yeah, yes.
you can have it in the last week of April.
Lordship, have some,
You have personal
Yes.
difficulty. But Mr. S. Learned Counsel for the petition. You're not in the case, Sureka? You're not in the case?
Yes, I am.
Say S.
Yes.
Learned Counsel for the petition also heard Ms. B. Learned Senior Counsel and Standing Counsel BTC appearing for the
and for BTC, your lordship,
respondent's number,
4 and 5.
respondent number 4 and 5. Ms. Bhuya submits that.
3. Truly.
The respondents be granted further 3 weeks time to complete the inquiry which is currently underway. to examine the contemporaneous records and submit and furnish instructions to her in the matter. Registry. Also, prayer is accepted. A registry to list this matter again on 29/4/2026, on which date the PTC authorities shall invariably bring on record their stand with regard to the claim made by the petition.
Lordship, can it be in the first week of May?
4/5.
Obliged.
Pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, the idea in this matter, Lordship, similar matter is come up for hearing item number 52, Lordship. The assessment here is different, Lordship. In item number 52, we file our affidavit in opposition and they also file their reply. And same is covered item number 18, that affidavit. So that 18 matter is come up for hearing along with item number 52, Lordship.
But what I can say is, my lord, that both the matters may come up on Tuesday for hearing.
Mr. You'll have to excuse me next Tuesday, 31st.
My lord, I am ready on Thursday also, but
No, this week and next week, awfully tied up. I made a mistake. I fixed up a lot of matters. You'll have to keep on waiting. No, but you will have to keep on waiting till your matter reaches. We'll have it on 2nd. You are here on 2nd?
Second I am there, but second will be, my lord, late. Prior to that, my lord,
31st.
the 31st year also you say there are too much matters.
Because this week also same thing, same situation. We can give it a try on 30th or 31st.
30th, my lord, is possible.
Taken at 38. Cool as it. Cater as it. 70.
At 2 p.m., my lord, or 30th.
70, around 70 matters are there.
70.
37 already listed, so another 40 you catch. 77.
77 is too much, not too much for you, Marcy.
If it is some other bench, it is okay. But this bench, I'll have to go each
We will
file.
prepare, my lord, a short note also, submissions. The issue is very short, my lord.
Okay.
Because the issue is only, although many grounds have been given.
You are here on 1st or 2nd, you are here?
I am here.
On 1st, go ahead.
First, my lord.
First.
Both the matters for.
Both the matter. 18. As prayed for Mr. J.P. Moore, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. S. Chetia, submits that the affidavit filed by the respondents in WPC number 2020-2022 would also cover the issues arising in the present writ petition. Also, accordingly, he prays that the matter be taken up along with WPC number 2020-22, which is already fixed for listed for hearing today. Also, as agreed to by the Learned Counsel for the parties, raised to list the present writ petition along with WPC number 2020-2022 on 1/4/2026 under the heading, under the column hearing. Also, 52 लिखा. As prayed for by the Learned Counsel for the parties, raised to list this matter again on 1/4/2026 for hearing.
Interim order में continue.
Interim orders, both cases.
Both cases.
Tuta te ase. Tuta beleg order pasko. Interim orders passed earlier to continue till the next date of it. Power grid. Yes.
In this case, the main contesting respondent is the power grid. The council had thought for some virtual link that is not going.
All of you should not read.
In this matter, I was under the impression that reply was filed, but it was not filed. Last week I have filed, man. It is in the record, man.
This is that matter.
Like copy
20 and 21.
2021. So,
How do we resolve this?
can the circle officer be directed to a field survey? We will be there with our documents, my lord, and he will submit a report, my lord.
How many? They have already done.
That has been done.
Then the
It's-
report may be placed, my lord.
Because they say that your schedule of land
Yes.
21.
does not correspond to 20, it corresponds to
21.
20.
Yes, yes. If your lordship will kindly see the
These
test.
are disputed questions coming
Yes.
up. You go up, if there is a dispute, you go up, file an appeal.
Yes. But if you, for a moment, my lordship will kindly see page number 22A, the dispute.
22A.
22A, the map, my lord. The
22
dispute is
like-
regarding, my lord, the construction of the opening of that particular road covered by Doug number 20. If your lordship will kindly see the darkened portion, my lord, that is the road. And this road is actually between 19
21 is towards the right of it.
Yes, 19
Where
and
is
20.
20?
20 is that road, my lord.
20 is the-
dark portion, my lord.
So
19,
that is government. You also agree?
yes, between 19 and 21, the road is there. But while constructing, my lord, they created the opening, my lord, through the middle of the, my lord, petitioner's land, my lord. That
You
is
mean
the
to
only.
say that this has come, say, over that
Yes,
21,
yes,
written
yes, the
21.
opening part. Lordship will kindly see the photographs, my lord. I have annexed, my lord,
Page?
that 44.
44 money, reflect.
This is the road,
This is the road.
41.
44. Last page. This is the road.
So which is your land?
The tin houses, my lord.
No, the road is the front side one, this one.
Yes, yes.
Huh?
Yes, the main road.
This is the main road.
This road, my lord.
This
is this Pakka road, my lord.
Pakka road. Your
And-
land is beyond that.
Yes.
Then what happened?
Then this road, my lord, if your lordship has seen, my lord, this is the Doug number 20 road, which they
This
have
is-
constructed. Yes. By evicting us, my lord.
So this is the main road, which
Yes.
is going through the blackened portion.
The blackened road, my lord, touches this road, falls on this road, my lord.
Okay. And this is the road now which is in dispute.
Yes, Doug number
Not
20.
this.
No, not the big road.
Not the big road, the small one.
Yes.
So you mean to say that the small road,
Yes.
where is it in the trace map?
22A.
Trace map 22?
A.
There is no 22A here.
22A in the main petition, man.
22A, huh? Where is this small road? This is Black Road is the main one.
I have marked the dotted portion, my lord. The dotted portion.
Okay.
That's how they have constructed.
So it bifurcates your land.
Yes.
So let us come back to the photograph once. 44. Itu hoigol tomar? Eh, Forester, DD body. 44. So there is land near the brick wall also, which belongs
No, but
near the brick wall.
the brick wall, my lord, belongs to one Hannan Ahmed, my lord.
No. Beyond, near the brick wall, that land is there, that
Yes.
is yours.
Yes, our land.
So from the tinned place
Yes.
to the bricked
Yes.
wall,
It's our land.
this is your land.
Our land. And my lord, as per the map, my lord, that small road, my lord, ought to have been behind the tin houses, my lord, backside.
It should not have had an entry to
Yes,
this
yes,
road.
yes.
You get your circle officer's report. Because your circle officer's report basically
Says that.
is on the main road, not on the side road.
Can I get a copy of that
I'll
reply? I do
give
not
that.
have.
Okay. Corrected copy. On the prayer of Mr. BJ Talukda, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. P.K. Medi, Learned Counsels appearing for the respondents, registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date 2 weeks by. On the next date of listing, Mr. BJ Talukda shall complete his instructions with regard to the contentions raised by the petitions in the affidavit reply file by the petitioner in the matter. More particularly in para 13 and 15 thereof. 13, 15 and 17 thereof. Let us have that instruction.
And there's an interim, my lord.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next day.
Hello.
2 minutes. Asking the one. I'll just rise for 5 minutes. There is an order which I have to upload. I'll just upload it and we'll come back in 5 minutes. 12:15 I'll be here.
There are 6 petitioners in this case.
Hmm.
The compensation has only been processed in respect of one petitioner because he's the only one who's entitled to both for
Okay.
my Zirat as well as for structural damage.
Hmm.
Now, the remaining 5 petitioners, my lord, they are not entitled to, my lord. Accordingly, no compensation has been done for them.
Hmm.
The petitioner number 6, my lord, respondent, petitioner number 5, my lord, he's the only one who's eligible.
And the
Accordingly,
compensation has been, award has been given, paid.
my lord, there are two legs to the compensation. One is the Zirat compensation, other would be the surface damage. Sorry, the structural damage, my lord. So the Zirat has been given, my lord, 19,590 rupees.
Hmm. And the structural
And-
damage?
My lord, the structural damage, the PWD has done the assessment. Verification by the committee is in process and it is in the final stages of payment, my lord. As per the document in my possession, that would amount to rupees 5,83,388.
Now,
my lord.
Mr. Who is the authority to determine this? The Deputy Commissioner.
My lord, we are the telegraph authority.
You will be determining the amount.
My lord, we, for the surface damage compensation, Zirat, my lord, we procure the rate from horticulture, agriculture, forest, as the case may be, the whatever is the vegetation and the growth over there. So, my lord, that compensation 19,590 is paid. Now, as it,
Mr. Khera, what I'm on is just an submission from you.
my lord,
Say you have determined the compensation, then you pass an order for that X will get so and so amount, like an award in by the Deputy Commissioner or some other authority will pass that order.
no, my lord, we don't pass any award. It is a computation which is done after on spot because whatever is the damage is calculated, we enter it and then in our own paper, my lord, we prepare the amount and then that amount is processed and given.
You pay that amount directly to the person concerned or through the Deputy Commissioner?
My lord, most of the places we pay directly, my lord.
Directly.
Directly,
Now,
my lord.
a person whose land has a grievance that my land is also, because of this, some damage has been caused, but according to your parameters, he is not entitled. Now,
My
what
lord.
would be the way out for that man to file a case before the Deputy District Judge?
My lord, district judge.
Under
Now,
section
my lord, 16.3 is for enhancement of compensation.
compensation. What is
And-
for non-getting compensation, what is the
My
procedure?
lord, section 10D will have to go because we are required to pay under 10D, my lord, of the Telegraph Act.
And the proceeding would be before the District Judge itself.
My lord, district judge, the act only speaks about that they will receive
16.3.
16.3, my lord.
Now,
I'll
if
confess
somebody
that-
is not getting it, what is the way out?
My lord, in this particular case, it is slightly peculiar. The reason is, my lord, that we have not erected towers. We have only.
You have gone for direct pole and
no,
the stringing you have done.
My lord, the compensation now is being governed under two legs. First is under 10D, which we pay for surface damage, tree crop compensation. And my lord, under the adopted guidelines of 2017, there is an 85% of the tower base area and 15% of the right of way for the land directly affected below the corridor for diminishing value of land. My lord, in this particular case, now the notification says, my lord, that 85% and 15% is only payable, my lord, if the transmission line is a line which is more than 66 kV.
This is 33 kV.
It's a 33 kV, and we have not erected towers here, my lord. We have only installed poles. So it's very small. If my lord would see page 144, my lord, of my counter affidavit, I'll be able to assist, my lord.
144.
My lord. Annexure 8. I have my lord's attention, my lord. My lord. If I may, my lord. The governor of Assam is pleased to notify the following rates for payment of compensation towards damages in regard to right of way for transmission lines in accordance with the guidelines of Ministry of Power, Government of India, white reference number so-and-so dated 15/10/2015 for maintaining uniformity in compensation payment to the affected landowners during construction of transmission lines. It has been decided that a similar payment methodology towards compensation shall also be adopted in the state of Assam. The guideline for payment methodology of compensation towards damages as stipulated in section 67 and 68 of the Electricity Act, read with section 10 and 16 of the Telegraph Act, shall be in addition to the compensation towards normal crop and tree damages. This amount will be payable only for transmission lines supported by tower base of 66 kV and above, and not for sub-transmission and distribution lines below 66 kV. My lord,
your case is this is below 66 kV.
My lord, it's a distribution line below 66 kV.
33 something.
It's a 33 kV line, my lord. Page 37 of my counter affidavit again, my lord.
We got it, 5.4.
5.4, my lord. And in continuation, my lord, we'll see at page 56. Page 56, my lord. Fourth last line of the first para. It was also observed in the meeting that the process followed for the installation and erection of all electric poles, including the recent poles. What I'm trying to demonstrate, my lord, that we did not erect for 33 kV, my lord, we cannot put a tower.
Okay, that was my confusion on the last day. I thought you have put in a tower base and then you have proceeded.
My lord.
So you say that one of the petitioners, Zirat, already paid, and for him, the structural damage, it's under process, final stages, that amount will be released on finalization.
Very shortly.
And the others are not entitled because no damage has been caused.
No damage has been done, my lord.
Yes, madam.
My lord, adequate compensation has not been received, lordship.
If you have not received adequate compensation, then you will have to institute proceedings under section 16(3). What the Learned Council for the Power Grid is saying is that one petitioner is entitled. He'll be given whatever compensation. But the other 5 are not entitled because no damage has been found. What do you have to say on that? Who is your senior in the matter, madam?
Please, lordship.
Where is she? Are you ready to argue the matter?
Lordship, kindly pass over for the day, lord.
Mr. Kira.
My lord.
That facts you have just disclosed, file a small 2-page affidavit bringing it on record.
My
because
lord.
this compensation part is not disclosed in your affidavit.
My lord, because my lord, this happened at a stage subsequent to their filing of the petition because it was a live damage, my lord. As we do construction, whatever is the damage, we record it live and that's when we compute it. We cannot anticipate.
But you also give us some particulars as to why you have found the other 5 petitioners to be not eligible.
I'll file an affidavit, my lord.
Just explain that. Just don't say that they are not eligible, but why they are not eligible. If the line is processing, because their claim would be that the line is going over my head. There are polls there. So kindly make a specification with regard to that also in your affidavit.
We'll do that, my lord.
Mr. Khera, learned counsel appearing for the Power Grid Corporation, Power Grid Authorities, Power Grid to North, submits that out of the petitioners, only one petitioner, that is the petitioner number 5, has been found to be entitled to compensation, both zirat and for structural damage cost. He submits that the payment under the zirat has already been released to the petitioner number 5, and the compensation that would now be required to be authorized to the petitioner number 5 for structural damage occasioning is being computed and is in the final stages. Also, the said amount being computed, the amount would be released to the petitioner number 5. In regard to the other petitioners, Mr. Khera submits that no damage is been found to have occasioned to their properties on account of the stringing of the lines, the stringing of the electricity lines in the matter. He, however, submits that he would file an affidavit in the matter, bringing on record the said position. Also, accordingly, when will you have it, Mr. Khera?
My lord, it can be on 28th of April, but before that, I will file my affidavit and it can be taken up for final disposal.
Final disposal. In view of the above, registry to list this matter again on 28/4/2026. Mr. Khera to file the affidavit on or before 23/4/2026.
My lord, 29th. I'm so sorry, my lord.
29th, no problem.
29th.
So flexible.
Highly obliged, my lord. Permitted to leave.
Please, Lordship. My lord, this case relates to the conversion of the patta, my lord, from
Madam,
Lordship,
you have been converting certain pattas.
yes, I have received instruction, Your Lordship. The Assam Fixation of Ceiling on Land Holdings Act 1956 has been amended, Your Lordship.
This
So,
has been brought in.
Yes, Your Lordship. A new amendment has been brought in section number 4.
Now, T periodic patta land will also be
Yes, Your
permitted.
Lordship.
And
yes.
I have been asked for deposit my
The
lord,
special
premium.
consideration of
Premium, my lord,
default
I have already
to
deposited.
non-T purposes. That is allowed, Your Lordship, by this amendment. Page
But
number,
what grievance you have any?
page number
They
3
have
can
to
be
convert
issued.
it.
They'll do it.
And
Let them
that's
do it.
under process. Your Lordship must be aware the T patta, the pattas has been, is given to the tea cultivation that,
So on
that is under
14/11, this has been done.
yes, Your Lordship.
2,20,000 premium.
2,20,000. Lordship, kindly have a look.
Lordship
have
may
it.
kindly peruse page
We have
number
it.
3, Your Lordship.
Lordship got it.
2,20,000 premium.
Yes, my lord.
That
And
is
have you
being
paid the premium?
estimated,
Yes,
that is
sir.
being estimated, Your Lordship. So that needs to be deposited to
That
the
is
deputy
deposited.
commissioner.
Now what?
Have
DC
deposited.
DC will give the final instruction whether it's deposited or not. Thereafter, it will be converted by the revenue department. Already under process.
Ms. N. Bodule, learned Standing Council, Revenue and Disaster Management Department submits that upon the amendment being effected in the provisions of
Itu moi no.
Section 4 of the Assam Fixation of Ceiling on Land Holding. Bracket Act 19.
Moi naজানো তো দিয়া বুলি কৈ আছে সিহঁতে গম নাপাওঁ
56, comma. It has now become permissible to convert tea grand land to periodic patta land. Also, accordingly, the conversion of the tea grand land of the petitioner to periodic patta land has already been approved by the government by an order dated 14/11/2025 and a premium amount of rupees 2,20,000
2,20,000.
And a notice requiring the petitioner to pay a premium of rupees
Only perusing.
2,20,000 was issued on 17/11/2025. Ms. Jaya Bhuya, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the said amount premium amount has already been deposited by the petitioner on
24 November 25.
on 24/11/2025. Full stop. In view of the above, Mr. H. Sharma, learned additional senior government advocate, shall receive instructions from the jurisdictional deputy commissioner as to the further steps taken in the matter for effecting such for taking the process involved for conversion of the tea grand land of the petitioner to periodic patta land to its logical conclusion. A registry to list this matter again on 24/4/2026.
Lordship,
Because now its elections will not disturb.
Lordship, do I need to file an affidavit that those
This we have
instructions?
recorded.
Yes.
24.
The act is also there, Your Lordship, the amendment, page 4.
Amendment is there,
Page 4, Your Lordship.
section 4.
Yes, sir.
I've just noted it. You want it to be taken, you take it back, bring it back whenever the matter is listed.
Yes.
Keep it in your file. Only give me a
Amendment
photocopy
copy,
of the amendment and
extra copy.
give it to her.
Yes, Your Lordship. Oblige,
The
Your-
pilot to it. You have that letter,
yes,
first letter,
Yes.
and that amendment, that 2 pages you.
oblige, Your Lordship.
Mr. Ahmed, that title suit, both your suit and their counterclaim dismissed. Now it is back to the revenue authority, demarcation. Now, demarcating, neither you agreed nor he agreed. So they stood outside your house and made a visual estimation and did it. What is that demarcation? Nothing. What to do now? If you both are not agreeing, go back to the civil court, get it resolved.
That is the only option available.
That direction, my lord, that direction may be.
No, you withdraw it, I'm giving you liberty. Why should we?
My lord, since long back, my lord.
No, you tell me, you don't allow the revenue officials to do the demarcation.
My lord.
He does not allow. You both are claiming. You went to the civil court.
It is the, my lord.
The suit was allowed. His counterclaim was also allowed. Now, I don't understand. That same very land is there in your suit,
Yes,
Schedule
madam.
B, and his counterclaim is also Schedule B.
That is why appellate court, your lordship.
Appellate court rightly said nothing
No.
doing, everything gone.
But there is
On
a
the
one
ground-
finding, your
On the
lordship.
ground of
That is
maintainability, my lord.
that I am in possession. That finding is there.
That once it is rejected, we'll not
No,
give
but
it.
there is a finding.
Read it as it may.
My lord,
No.
And in the meanwhile, we have been issued settlement and patta, your lordship.
That is during the pendency of that proceeding.
your
It was
no, my
not
lord,
resolved.
during
subsequently.
pendency of this writ petition, my lord, authority issue patta in favor of them, my lord.
9
Ultimately,
bigha. For 9 bigha.
9.
9 bigha.
So you are in 10 bigha.
My lord.
Total is 19
19
bigha.
bigha. And 19 bigha, we have paid it
Yes,
premium.
Mr. Sharma. What to do?
And he will have to challenge this, my order, your lordship. Until and unless it is put to challenge.
That patta will also
No.
now have to be challenged.
challenge.
Because you claim that you are in possession. He claims he is in possession. Now, if the poor Mondal goes there, his head would be broken by both of you. So better withdraw it, go before the civil court, we will give you that liberty.
With liberty, my lord.
Heard Mr. K.U. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. S. Bhattakur, learned. Also heard Mr. A. Bhachaji, learned standing counsel, revenue and disaster management. Mr. H. Sharma, learned additional senior government advocate appearing for the standing counsel, respond number 1. H. Sharma, learned standing counsel, learned additional advocate, additional senior government advocate appearing for the respondents number 2 and 3, and Mr. S. Bhattakur, learned
4, 5.
counsel representing the respondents number 4 and 5. Mr. Ahmed, after attempting to argue the matter at some length, submits that in view of the subsequent developments taking in view of the subsequent developments taking place in the matter, the petitioner would be required to assay the same by filing an appropriate application before the court of competent court of civil jurisdiction. And accordingly, he prays that he be permitted to withdraw the present petition with liberty to approach the competent court of civil jurisdiction for redressal of his grievances. So, prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for the respondents. In view of the above, the present writ petition stands dismissed with liberty reserved to the petitioner to approach the competent court of civil jurisdiction for redressal of his grievance by initiating appropriate proceedings.
Obliged.
Deeply obliged.
Yes.
But affidavit in a file.
Affidavit.
No, Lordship, we are,
Forget the affidavit. You make your arguments.
Lordship.
You have complete open field. Run. How much you can run?
When cases that engaged counsel is not present, so as they.
It's not that we are not filing, it has gone for waiting on 14.3, but because of the pending election, the concerned DC is little tied up. With
Why is the DC signing an affidavit on behalf of the Panchayat department?
No, Lordship, this is pertaining to delimitation. So
Okay,
DC,
you file an affidavit on behalf of the DC.
Lordship, Mr. Kumar will be appearing in this matter as an additional AG.
As prayed for by the learned counsel for the parties history to this matter again. In the last week of April, on date to be fixed by April 2026 on a date to be fixed by. The respondents shall invariably bring on record their affidavit on or before 24 on or before 23/4/2026. No further time shall be granted to the respondents to file their affidavit in the matter. So, register to list accordingly.
Please, Lordship.
Who is appearing for the respondents?
Dinat was there.
No proper demarcation has taken place.
No problem, the demarcation take.
Because they say that it was underwater. Mr. Bhuya, you are appearing for?
Lordship, I'm appearing for the PWD.
PWD will come because Mr. Sharma, demarcation expert is more required. Mr. Sharma, other demarcation, you are an expert here now. Your report says that it is underwater.
Underwater, Lordship, it cannot be.
No, but now after that there was a dry season
Yes,
also.
Lordship, they have to get the instructions.
You get the, how will they get? You will have to get your circle officer.
File 9.
Page 26, second paragraph of your affidavit.
Oh, our name is not shown. Lordship may fix it any other day so that we can get the.
No, you get that instruction. Mr. I say, learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. Mr. M. Rian, learned standing counsel, PWD, appearing for the respondents. Oh, you have not made the state party?
The revenue department was not a party.
No, Lordship, we are not a party. That is why the file.
Then how did the circle officer file an affidavit here?
Mr. Dinat Mailad, he appeared.
Huh?
Dinat Mr. Dinat Mailad.
Okay.
He was asked to appear, Mailad.
Most probably he is also representing PWD, Lordship. Their name may be shown so that they can appear, Lordship. It will be easier.
This court in the present writ petition has found that the circle officer, Borkhetri Revenue Circle, had filed an affidavit on 9/9/2025 and therein had taken a plea that the measurement of the said road was not permissible as at the relevant point of time was not permissible as the same was under water. And it was further projected that the road could be measured only during the dry season. They said affidavit was above. Mr. D. Nath learned counsel appearing for the respondents on the next date of listing shall shall complete his instructions. Shall receive instruction as to whether after filing of the affidavit by the circle officer, Borkhetri Revenue Circle, the road has been finally measured. So, registry to list this matter again on 27/4/2026, reflecting the name of Mr. S. Dina, learned senior government advocate for the respondents.
Lordship.
Can it be passed out for the time being? Just I have left my file in the ground floor. That is the only issue.
You get your file, also get some deep breaths, because we propose to be very harsh on you. These pleas that you have taken does not satisfy. So now there will be a surfacey proceeding against you by this court. How much? 18%, 20%? That's what you charge.
Your Lordship, basically we are not benefited out of the money.
But you are he is deprived. We are concerned about his deprivation. You have taken the money with open eyes.
Yes.
Until date, that was in 21?
2014.
14. It is 11 years, 12 years down the lane. Neither he has got the money back, nor the thing. It will be not less than 20%. You get your file, get some exercises, come up, then argue. Your pleas are not very, we don't find the pleas to be. You now make your submissions whatever you want to. Try to convince me. I am at 20% now, try to bring it down.
I can pray only, Your Lordship.
No, you can't pray. You should not pray. You should be very affirmative here. That this is the reason.
Yes.
Just show me that those reasons are germane.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Because once you have taken the possession, not symbolic, physical possession, then only you can put it for auction. You can't put it for auction in air.
No, Your Lordship, we can put it for auction.
Then what would be the right of this man?
But
He'll be hanging.
Yes, Your Lordship, I am clarifying the situation. That is on the day when we have taken the symbolic possession, it was a vacant land. Thereafter.
Okay, do one thing. Mr. Das will also agree. You return the money.
Yes.
Yes.
With interest as per the land value of today. What is the land value today? The Deputy Commissioner will assess. You pay that.
Your Lordship,
you get your instructions, we'll have it at 2 p.m.
That will be fair.
Give him the land vacant possession as it is within a week, or give him the land value today. What is the land value today? Give him that. And we will ask that to market value under the 13 Act. Whatever the value the thing will get, we'll apply that principle. We can't allow you to have the cake and eat it also. Now you are enjoying the money.
No, Your Lordship, we are not enjoying the money. We have already adjusted with the loan account.
But what is his mistake?
No. Your Lordship, thereafter lots of litigation has been underwent, Your Lordship.
All those frivolous litigation by the
borrower,
that all have closed.
But Your Lordship, that has consumed a considerable period of time.
That is between you and the consumer. He is
he is also party.
You have to indemnify. He is indemnified to that extent by the bank. Now you compensate 2 ways: interest or the land value as it on 2 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
You have your instructions, Mr. Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Or if you say that no, give me 1 week time, I'll resolve it, I'll give you.
No, Your Lordship, but it is because the land
or
is
the
now
money has to come. That's the only way out. You make a statement that we can't give the land today.
Yes.
We can't give
right
the
now
land.
we are not in a position.
You get your instructions.
No, Your Lordship, I know the factual position.
No, you get your instructions because I don't want to put it in your name.
Yes, sir.
Get it from the competent authority. We'll have it at 2. Tell me, we will pass necessary order.
Yes.
And there are decisions of the Supreme Court in this connection. Get it.
Yes.
May I please, Lordship?
The matter for the time.
Item?
Item 26 and 27, Lordship.
Pending.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship. In this
Yes.
case, Your Lordship, we have filed and review petition for the Honorable Supreme Court, Your Lordship.
Oh, that extension of time,
Lordship.
processing.
Lordship.
That-
Lordship,
That-
the
that-
judgment is reserved, Your Lordship. It was last listed on 23/2/26, Your Lordship, but judgment is reserved here.
That will come, whatever it is. We are covered by the prospective effect of Tarsem Singh. Sorry.
Yes.
Sorry. Well, Tarsem Singh will be before me as Tarsem Singh is. I'm not waiting for anything. That order comes by the Supreme Court, we will follow it. But here, Tarsem Singh will have full force. Now tell me, why?
That's it.
Any enmity with the man
No, Your
that
Lordship.
he has been singled out? Or is he not entitled? These are the two things only you have to tell.
Lordship, not only him, Your Lordship.
So many persons are there.
I forget it. One is before me. Why? Why the payment is not?
That
given?
is since we approached before the.
Now it will
Honorable
be
Apex Court, Your
interest on
Lordship.
interest. So let him to, so they'll get interest, but
Yeah.
the interest 28,
Yeah.
they'll get interest on that. And Ms. Bora will pay the amount. When are you paying?
Lordship, they give me some time, Your Lordship.
3 o'clock. I'm only you want 3 o'clock. These things cannot be taken lying down. Very bad.
8 years, my lord, has been gone by.
Oh, you take your seat. We are there. When I go against you, you make your submission.
Smile.
Hmm. Mr. Boro,
Lordship,
get your instructions.
Lordship.
When?
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
We'll have it on 6th.
My lord.
6th of
Mr. R. Boro, Counsel for the Petition, submits that.
6.
Oh, you are appearing for Mr. C. Borua.
Lordship, on
Oh,
behalf of
last time we gave him last opportunity.
Lordship, our. Good.
Where is Mr. Borua?
Lordship, he is unlike in.
Let him come.
He is unlike
So
in.
I can put a cost
State. If he is on.
Cost.
State.
on him. 50,000. NHI, he'll have to do 50,000 minimum.
I.
All of Mr. Borua, let Mr. Borua.
Yes.
There, Lordship. Same method.
Same matter.
Take-
That is, this is the main one.
New method.
This is a new matter that has been tagged with this.
take-
The issue is same.
Same.
What is your stand?
Since
Sir, since-
they have filed the review,
Review petition is gone.
the hearing is concluded.
Judgment is reserved.
Let him come.
No.
I'm not bound by a judgment that is not born yet. I'm bound by a judgment that is holding the bill.
Same thing.
Bound by something. I'll follow that.
Lordship, may on 6, Your Lordship.
No. If I have to cross over today, it will be only on payment of cost.
He is unlike in Honorable Kate, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
Lordship.
Oh, he'll come. He'll come. Second half, he'll come.
My lord.
Tell him it is only for fixing of cost that I want. You inform him, he'll come.
Alright.
Even?
Please, Your Lordship. But in the matter, kindly allow 2 weeks time to file our affidavit. Lordship, morning hours will make a mention.
My lord.
Yesterday, they give us a consent for mentioning, but all of a sudden in the morning, they made objection, Lordship.
My lord.
Because
You
Lordship,
are Endas Gupta.
Yes, I am. First order notice was issued on 22/9/25. Then two adjournment, they have taken 3 weeks on 17/10 and 14/11. Now today again, my lord, this is a settled issue
Lord-
by this honorable court, annexure 11, my lord. Only I am the excluded person. That is page 54 to 112. Page 11, 111 I am referring. Settled issue, my lord. And budgetary benefit only for 10 years. That will be expiring by 27. Para 5, page 111. For 40 petitions has been disposed of. Para 5, as the decision contained in the communication dated 22/2/23 answers the issue that was before this court, that such an unit should be considered to be put who have availed the benefit under exemption notification dated 25.
Sir Dasgupta, please, 2 minutes. So you also are a unit which has had exemptions under
Yes.
the notification dated 25/7/2006. Where is your statement to that effect?
My application is at page 39.
No, your writ petition statements.
That is in synopsis. Yes.
Mr. Dasgupta, you practice here?
No, in Shillong.
No.
In synopsis, I have mentioned with these Honorable High Court in Sai Enterprise versus Union of India.
No, I want to know that when was this, you are the beneficiary under
Yes,
that
yes.
notification.
Yes.
Where
that
do I
is-
get it?
That is eligibility criteria, page 43.
Page 40?
3.
Hmm.
Date of commencement of commercial production, that is 30/3/2017. Now, as per notification,
Where is that notification?
it is at page 26, budgetary support notification, 5/10/17.
This is after the GST had come in.
Yes, after the GST has come from 2017.
So you were under the industrial policy prior to that?
Yes,
Then
prior.
this was converted by.
Yes.
Hmm.
Earlier notification 25/4/2007, page 38. Page 38.
1/4/2007.
Yes, 1/4/2000.
And your commercial production is?
30th, that is 30th March 2017.
So you were covered under the earlier scheme.
Yes, yeah. And
then in the GST?
in GST, 5/10/2017, page 26.
Yes.
That is definition
Definition,
27,
eligible unit.
28. 28 to 30. The document evidence regarding date of commencement of production shall be submitted in terms of para 5.7. 5.7 is at page 29. The manufacturing applying for benefit under this scheme for the first time.
So where did you approach the authorities for that benefit?
Yes, that is at page 39. 39. My application dated 17/8/2022. That is pending.
Yes, that's why it's put it.
Lordship, the senior standing counsel, Mr. S. Chetia, is on legs, Lordship. The one part hard hearing matter is going on, Lordship. Lordship, some other day, Lordship.
After he
Today.
finishes.
After second half, Lordship.
Second half, no problem. Mr. Dasgupta, can you?
Yes.
We are disposing it off. This is already decided. You examine if he is within that purview of that thing. Give it to him.
Yes, and the other it will be expiring by 27.
10 years period. That is under the original state.
Yes, originals.
Trying to learn a bit of taxes.
Much obliged.
My lord, in this case, my lord, Resolution number 3 has filed affidavit today, my lord, in the morning.
The service is complete.
Service is complete, my lord.
And application under order 14 order 11 rule 14 of CP has been rejected, my lord. It should be before the civil bench one, if I'm not wrong, my lord. It can be also under, my lord, 226, my lord. That matter hello, spirit of the CPC is taking. No? Order 14 order 11 rule 14 has been rejected. 83 is the, my lord, petition. If your lordship come to page 83.
Order 11, rule 14 petition.
Yes, my lord.
Right. Where is that order?
Order is, my lord, 127, my lord.
Yes.
But the documents which was sought for by that application, it is required documents to decide the matter.
This is under 226. It will not be maintainable under.
You
will have to file it under 226.
227. But
okay,
see,
you file your reply. We'll convert that.
Right.
Otherwise,
They have filed affidavit,
DA learned counsel for the petition
otherwise
that he be granted 3 weeks time to file a rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the respondent number
3.
3.
The rejoinder is not necessary because he is not.
Rejoinder is not required.
No.
So you want that affidavit on record?
Yes.
Okay. Submits that then an affidavit has been filed on behalf of the respondent number 3. So today. So, registered to list this matter again after the Bihu vacations.
I have some
20 on 24/2026 along with the self affidavit. Very tight. Yes.
Make these lawsuits. Last order was 25/2026. Notice issued and directly regarding my reply against the notice lawsuits. No.
33, my lord, I am yet to get my instructions, my lord.
Heard Mr. F.E. Murphy, learned counsel for the petition. Mr. N. Das, learned government advocate, appearing for the respondents number.
Sometime, my lord, 33.
Respondent number 4 and 5. Submits that he be granted time. Granted 4 weeks time to complete his instructions. I accepted, registered to list this matter again. Please, no? On 27/4/2026.
In both the
Interim order.
interim order.
Stands interim order passed earlier to stand extended till the next date of listing. Mr. R. Borough. HIDCL is present. Item number 6, R. Talukdar, R.K. Talukdar. Petition kita actually. Yes.
My lord, the matter pertaining to periodic pata land converted into annual pata land without
Notice.
assigning notice and any cogent reason.
Yes.
Sometime.
Interim order may be continued.
Interim, Mr. N. Das, learned counsel, learned government advocate, appearing for the respondents, prays that he be granted 3 weeks time to receive, complete his instruction. Prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel. Registered to list matter again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed.
Date may be
Interim
fixed.
directions, huh?
Date may be fixed.
Interim directions passed by the, okay, date fixed. 29 for 2020. Interim directions passed early. Continue till the next date. You are appearing for?
I'm for the private respondent, Lord. 678.
Talk to me here. Your name?
A Singh, Lord.
A?
A Singh, Lord.
A Singh. Council appearing for the respondent.
6, 7, and 8, Lord.
So and so, appears for 1, 2 courts of. Yes. That's alia.
Matter pertains to my lord freezing of bank account, my lord. The respondent bank, they have appeared. We could not operate our bank, my lord. We marked a mail to the.
Who is appearing for the ICICI? Who is appearing for the ICICI bank?
And a name has been shown, my lord, in the cause list, my lord.
M. Sharma's name is shown. Huh? M. Sharma's name is shown. M. Sharma.
Only thing.
No witnesses.
We don't even know on which police station have lodged an FIR against the email, and the amount, my lord, that is also not specified.
M. Kashyap.
M. Sharma is
38 or so. M. Sharma.
M. Sharma.
Oh, M. Sharma, yeah, he was here in the morning. He'll be here at 2. Come back at 2. Yes.
Alert, the matter may be taken at 2 p.m.
Yes, where is your affidavit, Mr. Das? Mr. Mehdi. Ms. Hazarika, where is your affidavit?
Instruction is awaited.
Awaited. On the prayer of the Learned Council for the respondents, registered to list this matter again on 7/4/2026. The respondents shall, in the meanwhile, invariably bring on record their stand by way of filing affidavit before the next date of listing. We'll have it, but I think they are not here. Now it's 1 o'clock. I don't want to. Mr. Sheikh is here. Yes, Mr. Sheikh. Anything?
42, my lord.
42. Ms. Bowman, you have completed your instructions.
No, my lord.
Mr. Sheikh, let her complete.
I'm appearing for 2 and 3.
You are already protected.
Yes.
Somehow, my lord.
Somehow means what? What more than can this court do for you? Salahuddin has been done. So
Yes,
don't violate that. It's a continuing order. Not Mr. M. A. Sheikh, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Ms. M. Burma, Learned Government Advocate, submits that she be granted for
3 weeks, ma'am.
3 weeks time to file an affidavit in the matter. Full stop. Accepted, registry to list this matter again on 22/4/2026.
Obliged.
That order will continue, my lord.
That is always continuing. Just checking.
Bless.
Until further order, my lord.
There is a move to evict the petitioners. The same cannot be done without following the due process of. More particularly, those provided in the rules and it's a general order. It's continuing. Okay. We'll come back at 2.
Sorry, my lord, I was on legs at that time, my lord.
Oh, yeah, this is a selection of a
Election
the
of-
word very carefully. Selection of a
Election of president.
president. Now, where will the question of a election petition come?
Lordship, may kindly.
It is
come-
direct election.
My lord, the second last line, my lord.
One side.
Yes, 33 as in-
Yes. Yes.
My lord. 127, my lord. If we are holding the same book, then 133 page number.
I got it.
May I read, my lord? The government shall constitute such Panchayat elections tribunals as may be necessary on the recommendation of the High Court to dispose of all direct election petitions challenging election under this Act. Next line, my lord, important, my lord. The jurisdiction, powers and functions and the headquarters of the tribunal shall be decided by the government in consultation with the High Court except as provided in section 10 of this Act. And section 10, my lord, is the power of district commissioner.
Except that.
Yes, except that. So section 10 is, my lord, district, the election of president in Gau Panchayat only. And say section 11 empowers the district commissioner to decide that, my lord. So only for Gau Panchayat, section 10 is exception for bar of 127.
We have seen section 11. So any dispute with regard to the selection and validity of a selection of a Panchayat president or a vice president, it need not go before the tribunal. It
No,
will go
district
before
commissioner.
the
Yes.
District commissioner.
Exactly, yes. But this case, my lord, it's not Gau Panchayat, it's Anchalik Panchayat.
So Anchalik Panchayat, what would be the
Anchalik Panchayat, my lord, doesn't have any power. The district commissioner doesn't have any power. That is why I am submitting, my lord, reading 127, that only exception of 127 is
Let
Gau
us see the
Panchayat.
president election in Anchalik Panchayat.
Section 2, 37, my lord.
37, my lord.
Section 37. May I read, my lord? The directly elected members of the Anchalik Panchayat shall elect from amongst the directly elected members 2 members as president and vice president respectively of the Anchalik Panchayat in a meeting which shall be called the first meeting of the Anchalik Panchayat to be convenced by and presided over the deputy commissioner of the district in the manner prescribed. The deputy commissioner may delegate the powers of presiding over such meeting to any officer not below the rank of class 1 gazetted officer. If there occurs vacancy in the office of the president of the vice president, the members shall elect another member from amongst the members as hereinafter provided as the president or the vice president as the case may be in the manner prescribed. So therefore,
Now, this you say that there is no corresponding provision as section 11 here.
Yes.
So that means this, as far as the election of president and vice president Anchalik Panchayat is concerned, this act attains finality.
Yes.
So a writ petition would be maintainable.
My lord, if we read
Because 127, subject to, we'll have to consider this, but you see there are 2 parts. The first sentence is with regard to direct election.
Yes, my lord.
So second part will have to be read in the context of the first part.
My lord.
Because the second part only lays down the jurisdiction, powers and functions of what? Of an election tribunal to be constituted for direct elections.
My lord.
Second part cannot give rise to another election, another right without specifying that.
My lord, may I submit on that, my lord? My lord, for section 10, district commissioner has specific power My lord, because maybe some factual disputes or anything will be there, my lord. So district commissioner has the power for Gaon Panchayat. If from
that will
Anchalik
be
Panchayat
too-
level, my lord.
Stretch it too far because the first part, subject to correction, the first part only deals with direct elections.
I'm just submitting because of the second part, my lord, because second floor clarifies, my lord, to section 10 is exception, but not Anchalik and Zilla Parishad exceptions is there. Because for all the three elections, my lord, that can be done, my lord, but that was not there. Only Gaon Panchayat is there, my lord.
Because how can an election petition be maintainable for that? Because even the Representation of People's Act does not envisage a election petition for selection of a speaker.
My lord.
Speaker, say it's selected among the directly recruited MPs or MLAs.
My lord. But my only difficulty is that second part, my lord, because exception is only for Gaon Panchayat and no power, but because district commissioner has the power.
What do you have to say on this?
My lord, this, as the second part does not say anything as regards the Anchalik Panchayat, my lord.
No, it does not say anything about election. It only says about jurisdiction and
Jurisdiction, my lord.
But because of the last few words, except as provided in section 10.
My lord. Except in, my lord, we have, if we go by the whole part of the section, my lord, the government shall constitute such Panchayat election tribunal as may be necessary on the recommendation of the High Court to dispose of all direct election petition challenging election under this act. So, my lord, if we go by the first part.
Is there any definition of election in the act?
No, my lord.
Not found, my lord.
Mr. Dotto is trying to develop an argument.
My lord, I can.
That except 10, because 10 is covered by 11.
Yes.
No, my lord, the 10 gives an alternative forum before coming to my lordship's, my lord, then anybody, the deputy commissioner has given the statutory powers under section 11 of the act. So
Do
that.
you want to file an affidavit here, Mr.?
I can file, my lord, on law point, my lord.
On the law point only.
My lord, I can file.
Because this will have some
I'm getting, my
ramification.
lord. My lord.
When can you file it?
7 days, my lord.
Heard Mr. A.R. Bhuya, Learned Counsel for Deputy. So heard Mr. S. Dr. Learned Panchayat and Rural Development Department. Ms. Burman, you are also appearing? Appearing for the respondent number 1, 3. Chief Secretary, Panchayat and Rural Development
That
Department.
is wrongly.
No, my lord, it is.
It should be additional chief secretary.
You file an additional affidavit, correct that?
My lord, my lord.
1. Appearing for 2, 3.
I am also one appearing. My lord.
Huh?
One I am
also.
appearing.
1, 2, 3.
In fact, principal secretary is not there, my lord.
Okay, let it be there. He's.
Then 7.
At the outset, Mr. A.R. Bhuya, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that inadvertent error had occasion in describing the respondent number 1 and 2. Anything else? No.
No, my lord.
And accordingly, he prays that he be permitted to correct the name, the designation of the authorities who have been now arrayed as respondent number 1 and 2 in the writ petition. Prayer accepted. Petitioner to file an amended cause title in the notices have not been issued.
Not issued, my lord.
Okay, we'll decide this legal issue, then we'll see.
Well,
or we can issue a legal notice also.
Notice.
Okay, let us see. Mr. Dr. submits that the present writ petition would not be maintainable in view of the provisions of section 127 of the Assam Panchayat Act 1994, and the petitioner is required to institute a institute a election petition in the matter. Full stop. The said position is, however, disputed by Mr. A.R. Bhuiya, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the election tribunal constituted under the provisions of section 127 is so constituted only in respect of the direct elections to the panchayats at the 3 levels. 3 stages?
Yes.
At the 3 levels, and not with regard to the election of a president and or vice president, which is so made by the directly elected Panchayat members, which in the present case is the Anchalik Panchayat members. Full stop. The above issue would require a consideration, a deeper consideration by this court. Full stop. Accordingly, full stop. Issue notice, we'll put issue notice. Issue notice returnable on 22 3 weeks. 27/4/2026. Mr. Dr. accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, 3.
7 and 8.
7, 8. While Ms. M. Burma accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 4, 5, and 6. So, no formal notice. So, petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondents number 9 to 16 by way of speed post. Want to do it by Thursday?
Thursday can also be sometime.
Petitioner is also granted liberty, steps within 2 days. Petitioner is also granted liberty to effect service of notice upon the respondents number 9 to 16 by way of Thursday, routed through the registry of this court. On effecting such service, the petitioner to file an affidavit in the matter. Also, Mr. Dr. shall, on the next date of listing, file an affidavit highlighting the preliminary objection raised by him today. Also, registry to list this matter again on 27/4. You file an amended cost type.
My lord, we pray that respondent number 9, who has been elected as a president, should not be.
The election of the respondent number 9
My lord.
is subject to further orders that will. Mr. Doctor, I have my serious doubts with what you are saying, but anyway, this is an issue of a statute. We'll have to give it its hearing. You have developed an argument. Mr. Priya will have to now.
I'll try to
very good
satisfy
argument you have developed. You have caught me. Okay.
I'll try my best.
No, do it. If that is the position, we'll have to uphold that.
Yes.
But I find it difficult to do that.
Because of the word direct election.
Where direct election and the subsequent part is the qualification not of the election but of the tribunal. It's a jurisdiction power of the tribunal. And I don't know why, except section 10 was given. We'll have to give a meaning to that now.
Yes.
So yesterday night I tried, but I could not ascribe a meaning to those few words. That's it.
Yes.
You have got the order?
My lord, we tried, but it has not been shown in the view. We have applied, my lord.
It is already loaded.
My lord, may I pray, my lord, that this matter may be taken up on next Thursday or Friday, my lord.
No, he's not there, Mr.
No,
He's on his way, my lord. He had to go home, but he's on his way.
No, let him not come because Mr. This is from?
This is from,
Nagaon.
my lord. Nagaon, no? Nagaon, my lord. Lotumari and other, my lord. There is only, my lord, the ground which we have additionally taken are the forest villages, my lord.
In those cases, the forest village it's not there.
It's not there, my lord.
Your projection was that you are in a revenue village.
Revenue village, my lord.
When is Mr. Let Mr. Goswami is coming. We'll take it up when let Mr. Goswami come.
My lord, today, my lord.
He's coming from his home for this matter. Let him.
No, he was here, my lord. Yes.
To home, he's coming. Let him and so.
Oblige.
He's coming in the jam. So let us also give it some weight.
Oblige, my lord.
serial given. Yes. What is your instructions?
Your Lordship, bank is not in a position because
Bank is not in a position, bank will file an appeal. But as far as this court is concerned,
Your Lordship may kindly peruse the series of the events that has been undergone, Your Lordship. So first the
the
writ petition has been
incident
filed.
is on one line.
Yes, sir.
The incidents which you are referring to is in one line. That is the proceedings instituted by the borrower.
Yes.
But the reason why the land is not handed over
Yes.
is there from that day.
No, Your Lordship, I am just saying that the borrower has taken a loan. And
we are not concerned with the borrower here. We are concerned with the buyer.
Yes, yes, yes. I am telling that the buyer has taken a loan from us.
Buyer?
In the month of November 2014. And thereafter he has paid the money in the sale considerations of rupees 25 lakhs. And thereafter, Your Lordship, then in the month of November 2014, then the borrower has filed one writ petition before this honorable court, Your Lordship.
Now, what happened to his loan account?
Yes, Your Lordship.
I'm paying the interest.
He is paying the interest part only.
My lord, out of total.
Oh, you have.
I took some loan, my lord, for paying the amount.
Fish and oil.
My lord, 20.
Fish and oil fry. That is what you have done. You have taken the money from them. And you have brought the property and gave the money back to them.
And from other branches.
Page 20, no, page 20 is the malo sanction letter. Malo 25 out of 29 lakhs, malo 25 lakhs I took loan. Malo page 20 is the order. So I am paying the malo interest, malo 13.25% per annum, malo. I'm not defaulting. So for that payment is concerned. Now my problem is that.
Okay, we will quid pro quo. We will give you back that 13.5.
As may be dim fit, my lord. Otherwise, my banking interest may be imposed here, my lord, 18%, my lord.
That is what we proposed to do. This fact was not to my knowledge.
Yes, my lord. Page 20.
Where do I get it in your affidavit?
No, Your Lordship, it is in the writ petition, page number 18.
Page number?
18, Your Lordship. On 24/9/2014, the loan was given. And thereafter, the sale certificate was issued on 27/9/2014 by paying the amount.
Have you stated in the writ petition that you had got this money from you have bought the property from the money taken on loan?
Yes.
I missed that.
Yes.
Okay. Heard Mr. B.K. Das, Learned Counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. M. Sharma.
Otherwise, his entire money will be forfeited in terms of Rule 95.
No.
90 days is over.
Don't do anything more damaging.
No, Your Lordship.
Registry to list this matter again on 24/2026 for further consideration, because this aspect I had not figured in.
Right.
I'll have to factor in that also. We'll see on 24. So for the time being, you are off the hook.
Hello.
Lordship, in this case, I am for respondent Lordship. I need some time to file affidavit Lordship.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Mr. N. Goswami, Learned.
Standing counsel exercise.
Standing counsel exercise prays that he be granted 3 weeks time to file an affidavit to bring on record the stand of the respondents represented by him by way of filing an affidavit. Pray accepted. Registry to list this matter again after on a date to be fixed by. Yes, Mr. Sharma, what is your instruction? Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Your Lordship, that the accounts was freezed only under the instruction.
Where is that freezing order?
Your Lordship, but they have not changed the advocate.
Huh?
Bank has changed the advocate.
You're not there.
So I'm not there, but he's here, Your Lordship.
Agar case suit likhi diya. Heard Mr. N.J. Khatroniya, Learned Counsel for the petitioner.
But Your Lordship, since it is a freezing matter, I think.
3 weeks, he wants to file an affidavit. We had said none appears, so we have changed that. Huh?
What sense in freezing?
Who is appearing? Who is appearing?
But he's here with me, but just try.
What is his name?
No, your lordship, I do not know.
I want that order by which this freezing was directed.
Yes, your lordship.
We'll wait for some time. Get him. And this is now a very
Common, my lord.
common thing.
Very common, my lord.
Yes. Why? What is the basis for your freezing of his account?
Lordship, we just received the wakalat number today. We'll be filing. We need a short date for instruction.
No, the man will be on a high and dry. His account is totally blocked.
Lordship,
What was the amount involved? For what is the amount you were directed to put a lien on?
Lordship, 20,000, Lordship.
Then why don't you allow him to use the other part?
Lordship, they have annexed an order, Lordship.
Forget the order. What is your stand?
Lordship, my instruction was to take a short date for instruction, but Lordship, if I'll leave it to your Lordship.
Your name?
Z Islam, Lordship, on behalf of you, Saikia.
Heard Mr. R. Ali, Learned Counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. Z. Islam, Learned Counsel, who submits that he has entered appearance in the matter today on behalf of the respondent bank. Also respondent bank, full stop. Registry to list this matter again on Wednesday, 25th. Mr. Islam shall place before this court the communication received, basing on which the account of the petitioner came to be freezed. Full stop. Registry to list this matter again on 25.
On 26, my lord.
26. No issue.
Okay.
Mr. Islam, get me that order.
Lordship.
Then we will see what. Yes, Mr. Goswami.
This is the petition against an order of the ombudsman, Lordship. So what the gist of the case is that the complainant here had filed lost the claim for a.
The ombudsman normally went beyond what was claimed.
Yes, Lordship. There is not even a claim for this. He had not lost the claim.
Yes.
And ombudsman processed it all by him.
Provide for all documents, Lordship. We'll provide, Lordship.
But your claim is something, he has produced something.
Lordship.
You're not filing, do you want to file any affidavit here? You're filing.
I have already filed also.
So, Mr. Goswami, you don't want to file a rejoinder? You can take a.
We'll file it.
Mr. Goswami, R. Goswami, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, says that he be granted 2 weeks' time to file a rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the respondents. Also, pray accepted, a registry to list this matter again on 29/4/2026. The affidavit in reply be brought on record prior to the next date of listing. None appears for the petitioner on call. Heard Mr. BJ Talukdar, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. P.K. Medi, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondents. A state respondent. And Budle. Talukdar. So, appearing for the respondent. 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 and 6. Who is there for finance? Mr. Chalia is here. A Chalia, rest. The petitioner in the present petition has raised a grievance with regard to non-authorization to him of an ex gratia amount of rupees 2 lakhs in pursuance to the death occasioning to his son of in pursuance to the death of his son due to injury sustained in a traffic accident, occasioning at a public place on 3/1/2023. Also, this court has already held that other than hit and run cases, the ex gratia compensation would not be mandated to be so released inasmuch as the claimant would have efficacious can approach the jurisdictional motor accident claims tribunal by way of instituting a proceeding claiming compensation for the accident so occasioning. Also, in the present case, this court finds that the identity of the offending vehicle was duly is on record, and the same fines mentioned in the FIR filed by the petitioner. Also, however, the present petition is not disposed of on merits on account of there being none to press the present. The same account, the same, there being none to press the writ petition on behalf of the petitioner, the petition would mandate to be dismissed from non-press. Over, this could refrains from. No. In view of the above, the present writ petition would be mandated to be dismissed on merit. However, there being none to press the writ petition on behalf of the petitioner, the present writ petition stands dismissed for non-profit. They have something to show, let him come and show.
Because
Otherwise, I have passed orders. I have passed a series of orders.
when the SPS filed one affidavit saying that the case was registered and subsequently charge sheeted.
But he might have even gone to the MACT. Na? So I have said that Maikan also, that what is that name?
That,
Monisha.
Monisha Khatun.
Monisha Khatun also, I think it's judgment of my Lord Justice Surana. So Surana, I followed that. I followed that in many writ petitions. Dismiss for non-proceeding. Kumbha Judi hai. Before 4:45, if anybody comes, I'll restore this. Then dismiss it on merit.
Last time also he was not.
No, I saw that. Oh, Italy division. There was none representing the petitioner as date of listing. So that is on 19/3/26. If they come, I'll restore it and dismiss it on merits.
But here in this case, we have filed our rejoinder today, my lord. So let the matter be, my lord, come up next week along with the rejoinder filed by us.
You are appearing for the insurance.
Lordship for 2 and 3. Just now, Lordship, I have received the copy.
It is submitted by the Learning Council for the petitioner that an rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the respondents number 3 has been filed today on behalf of the petitioner. Also, in view of the above, registry to list this matter again after 3 weeks, along with the said rejoinder affidavit filed by the petitioner.
Obliged.
What's your contempt matter, my lord?
I think I owe you a apology.
No problem, my lord.
I was totally stuck.
I know. My lord, in this matter, what happened, my lord?
But I think I can have an open invitation some few days afterwards also. I can come.
No
down.
problem, no problem. Ready.
Yes, madam, yes.
In this matter, my lord. So government had decided to, my lord, compensate the, my lord, petitioner. So accordingly, my lord, the PW department has, my lord, evaluated the, my lord, broken
Evicted
house,
property.
and 32 lakhs has been estimated.
Yes,
Now,
madam, what do you say?
I have sent it.
Satisfied?
Lordship, some data may be taken after some time.
So today, my lord,
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, register to list this matter again. Biruspati Baradiya. No further adjournment shall be granted.
my lord, in short period, my lord, I will not be able to obtain instruction, my lord.
14 matter, mister. Why should we keep it pending? We'll otherwise go on merits. It's a eviction case gone wrong. That's all.
Yes, my lord.
You will have to compensate. See if you can compensate on your own and he is satisfied.
Yeah.
We will keep our hands off.
Yes, my lord.
Thursday, madam.
Yes.
That pertains to recovery of some amount, page 58 from the retirement benefit.
What is the stand?
Then, respondent number 4 and 5, file the affidavit, kindly see, page 79. Pay of the petitioner was rectified with effect from 1/2/1995.
What is the amount of recovery? Where is the PPO?
PPO, kindly see page, 58,
No, that is GPO. That
GPO.
recovery is from GPO.
GPO,
So 5 lakh, what is the total?
5 lakhs 43,600.
15 lakhs. Out of that 5 lakhs, 43,000 has been recovered. What is the nature of the overpayment?
Due to wrong fixation,
What were you?
I am the assistant engineer, under the PWD department.
You were recruited as assistant engineer or promoted as?
Promoted.
Promoted.
Initially, junior engineer.
Yes, who is appearing? AG.
AGM PWD.
But Mr. Padgiri, let me petition. Get somebody so that AG, you are appearing in this matter. Get PWD. This recovery was made at the stage of the AG.
My lord.
Proposal had no recovery made therein.
My lord.
Yes, you are an assistant engineer. Why should we give you that benefit?
But my lord, as per Rafiq Masi, my lord.
The Rafiq Mashik is for a different issue altogether. Does not. You are not a Group 3 employee. You are a Group 2 employee.
But second and guidelines, my lord, say 3 and 4, my lord.
3 and 4. You are not 3 and 4. You are a. Where is the objection taken with regard to the fixation? Any document?
My lord, kindly see, my lord, page 83, my lord. The letter written to the, my lord, executive engineer prior to recovery, my lord. Concerning the page 83.
Get somebody from the PWD. We'll discuss.
Oblige.
May please, Your Lordship. So I am appearing on behalf of the private respondent 7 and 8, Lordship. I may be allowed to 3 weeks time for filing the affidavit on opposition, Lordship. Whereas Lordship service is completed, Lordship.
In the full stop, in the office note. Dated 16/12/20.
Loajima court order, Lordship.
The Loajima court order dated 16/12/2025 text that the service upon the respondents number 6, 7, 8 and 9 have been completed. Mr.
M. Das, Lordship.
M.
M. Das.
M. Das Learned Council has entered appearance on behalf of
7 and 8.
Respondents number 7 and 8 and prays that he be granted further
3 weeks time.
3 weeks time to file an affidavit in the matter. Registry to list this matter again after 3 weeks in the admission column.
Obliged.
Also heard Ms. Upad Italy. Respond number? Respondent 1. And Mr. H.K. Sharma, H.K. Sharma.
225.
Respondent's number.
Obliged.
6, nobody has appeared. For
6 is nobody appears, Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, may kindly peruse the office note dated 19/3/26, my lord.
In the what is your grievance here?
My lord, my grievance is
The
this.
deposits in that bank.
Yes, my lord.
That was
That-
not deposited by the agent.
Huh?
Perhaps there is a question of mentality.
You will have to because
That was not deposited, and that
My lord-
affidavit shown by the agent, that is also relied upon by the petitioner.
this is a case wherein you will have to proceed against the agent first.
My lord.
My lord, kindly submit here, my lord. Page 22 also, my lord. My basic grievance is that, my lord. Notice was issued on that ground, my lord. Page 22, my lord. Because, my lord, the DIGC, my lord, the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, my lord. They had passed this, my lord, whereby they had stated that as per, my lord would have it at paragraph 3, my lord, of the page, my lord. Page 22. That they would pay that 5 lakhs rupees, my lord, to each depositor, my lord.
In respect
That
of
has not been paid, my lord. That aspect also has to be considered.
No,
my
this
lord.
5 lakhs is the maximum amount
Yes,
Yes,
my lord.
which an account holder under such circumstances is entitled to receive. You may have crores of
My
deposits,
lord.
Yes, my lord.
but you will be entitled to 5 lakhs
Yes.
or the amount below 5 lakhs,
My-
whatever it is.
Whatever they have deposited, that has been refunded. my lord.
Refunded.
No, no,
Yes,
my lord, that has not
paragraph
been
7 they have
refunded.
stated.
Where
That
do
has
I
not
get
been
that?
refunded, my lord.
Paragraph 7, my lord, below, down below, my lord. They have received the amount, whatever they have deposited.
No, no.
Paragraph 7 of the
This
repetition.
petition. Last paragraph, my lord.
My lord, I have stated here, I have not received the said deposits, my lord.
The remaining part, that agent that he.
No, no,
did
my
not
lord,
deposit,
my lord, subject to what my
Just a moment.
Yes, my lord.
respected.
What was your total amount of receipt deposit?
My lord, deposit, my lord, and this sum. Deposit, my lord, would have at page number 11 only, my lord. Dues amounting to, my lord, 1,26,100 for petitioner number 1, my lord. 3 petitioners we are. 1,77,150.
I want the total amount, the deposit that you had.
My lord, this is the deposit, my lord, and my lord, the other one, my lord, that is before the agent, that is different, my lord. I will not pursue that, my lord. Since
So what is the amount left now?
left, my lord, now 1,26,100 for
Arre, that
petitioner.
have only received dues amounting to. This is what you have already received.
Yes, my lord. Not more than that. So, my lord, minus that, and after whatever the respondents bring.
Out of 5 lakhs,
Out of
minus
5,
that.
yes.
Show me that you had a deposit of rupees 5. Show me.
My lord.
From which material you are showing that you had
My lord.
a bank had said 5 lakhs. That does not mean that if you don't have a deposit of 5 lakhs, you will get damage.
Maximum.
That's the maximum. That any bank today, if it goes bust,
Yes.
they'll be entitled to give you an amount of rupees 5 lakhs only, insured.
Yes.
Now show me that you had an amount of
Yes,
5 lakhs.
Yes, sir. My lord would kindly have annexure 8, my lord. Annexure 8, my lord. Page 92, my lord. The receipts, my lord, are at page 104, my lord. Sorry, my lord.
No, we are not. We want the passbook.
My lord, then I'll require some time to bring it, my lord. I'll bring it on record then, my lord. 104, otherwise I have annexed the, my lord, slips, my lord.
No, Lordship may see page 8, my lord. They have mentioned in the table, my lord, page 8.
My lord, that is with regard to the agent, my lord.
No, show me you had 5 lakhs rupees, Mr. Soma. That'll do.
Yes, my lord. My lord, may kindly have page 104, my lord.
104.
104.
Hmm.
My lord would kindly peruse the available balance, my lord. 2,47,841, my lord.
So this is not 5 lakhs.
My lord.
This is not 5
My lord,
lakhs.
the remaining amount, my lord.
Out of this, not out of 5 lakhs. Out of 2,47,841,
Yes, my lord.
you have been paid how much?
My lord, out of this, my lord, I have been paid, my lord, 1,26,100.
So the balance you want,
Yes, my lord.
not the balance minus 5 lakhs.
Yes, my lord. Balance minus 5. My lord, what? My lord, up to 5
So-
lakhs is the ceiling, my lord.
Ceiling. Show me that you have 5 lakhs in your account.
My lord,
You don't have 5 lakhs in your account.
my lord, I have perused some of the. My lord, I have to bring on record the passbook then, entire passbook, my lord. Some time may be given, my
Why?
lord.
This is petition filed by you only.
Yes, yes.
You don't know your facts.
Facts, my lord, I am aware, my lord.
Then tell me, where is that amount of 5 lakhs credited in your account? My casual perusal does not show more than 2 lakhs. Somewhere I found 3 lakhs. That's all.
Sometime may be given, my lord. I'll satisfy, my lord.
So why not today? You are claiming. So let me see your prayer.
Yes, my lord.
You are only claiming this much.
Prayer B, my lord. Prayer B.
No, prayer 1.
My lord, 1 is with regard to the, my lord, the collecting agent, my lord. That I'm not pressing, my lord.
Okay.
Since prayer B will be active now, my lord, because DIGC, my respected senior appears. That is why, my lord.
Where is the supporting material for this prayer B? Now you want to claim this amount of 70,050 as damages.
65,000 is dues, 5,000 is, my lord,
interest.
damages.
Yes.
In respect of petition number 1.
So petitioner number 1 would get 65,050 as balance,
my lord,
and 5,000 as interest.
My lord.
Other one also like that, 79,000.
179.
1,79,000.
Yes, 350.
And the third one would be 41.
36,000.
36,000 something.
Yes, my lord.
Along with the remaining coverage amount from the total of so and so, what I don't get this prayer. What do you mean by this, Mr. Sharma?
My lord, my lord, it was written in the affidavit, my lord. My lord, I'm just bringing my lords to the page 55, my lord. My lord, the affidavit which was sworn by the collecting agent, my lord, 56 is the relevant page.
These are of no use.
Yes, my lord.
So this amount that is there is on account of non-deposit by the collecting agent.
My lord.
Yes, my lord.
You proceed against him in
the-
accordance with law because he has admitted.
That is
My
there,
lord, paragraph
But
17,
annexure-
he has admitted.
Annexure 2, my lord, the
So that
DIGC
B, prayer B is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
amount that you
Yes.
claim from the.
Yes, my lord.
And why do you say it is prayer 1?
No, my lord, B only I said, my
No,
lord.
no, you said A.
No, B I said, my lord.
B is from the
B-
collecting agent.
No, my lord, B is from DIGC.
But here
A
the
is from
amount is.
collecting. B, my lord, would tell the peruse the B amount, my lord.
You have filed an affidavit, Mr. Hazarika here.
No, my lord, I am appearing for the first time today.
You are appearing for the reserve.
1 and 2, my lord.
You have nothing to do here.
Yes, my lord.
Lord,
Who is appearing for the deposit insurance credit? Is
No,
there any?
I am appearing for 1 and 2.
Oh, 1 and 2.
Yes, my
Oh, you're then
Yes.
get on record.
lord. My lord, 4 weeks time may be done.
Heard Mr. Sharma P. Sharma, learned counsel for the petition. P. R. Sharma, learned. Also heard Mr. P. Hazarika, learned counsel appearing for the respond number 1 and 2. Mr. Hazarika submits that he would bring on record an affidavit bring on record the stand of the respondents represented by way of filing an affidavit on or before 27/4/2026, registered to list this matter again on 4/5/2026.
Obliged.
Obliged.
You first get your facts ready. It's A or B.
My lord, B.
B is your pressing.
Yes,
B,
I'm pressing B, my lord, because
B.
DIGC.
You're not pressing A.
I'm not.
And B, you say, is the amount which is lying deposit in your account.
Yes, my lord, and I need to get it, my lord.
It is not the amount which the collector has collected
No,
but not deposited.
Not deposited.
Okay, we'll keep it. We'll
Yeah.
do it next time.
Obliged.
You just confirm your prayer.
Yes, my lord.
Seeking an adjournment in this matter, my lord.
Wait,
My lord, my senior has to rush to the hospital due to her
a
mother-in-law,
prayer is on for.
P. Sekya, on behalf of S.G. Borua.
What happened to Ms. Borua?
My lord, she has to go to the hospital because of her mother-in-law.
Mr. A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. S.G. Borua for learned counsel for the applicant for an adjournment in the matter on the ground that on account of a medical emergency arising in the family, she had to rush to the hospital. Also, prayer is not objected to by Mr. Chetia, learned government advocate, hearing for the. In view, so prayer accepted, registered to list this matter again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
Reason can we after 1 week? Much obliged.
2 weeks, go ahead. 2 weeks.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, on the last occasion, steps were taken, my lord, on respondent number 4 and 5. Matter pertains to, my lord, inaction by the respondents, even after giving repeated representations for cancellation of trade license, my lord.
Seen the office note dated 6/3/2026, which reveals that the notices upon the respondent number 4 and 5 were issued only on 5/3/2026. Accordingly, registered to await completion of service of notice upon the respondents number
4 and 5.
4 and 5 for another 5/3. Another 2 more weeks. Further 2 more weeks.
I did maybe fix.
Huh? No, let the service be complete. We'll do that. Because 1 month will be over only on
Fifth.
4th, 5th.
Fourth.
So that last week may be a little bit dicey. You can make a mention if we give it, we'll be a little bit.
Bullet.
My lord, here I have filed my appearance today. So filing wakalatnama, my lord. For the bank. My lord, we need some time to get the instructions here. Service is not yet complete otherwise, my lord, here. On the insistence of the bank, I have appeared today.
Service on whom?
1, 2, and 3.
Who are 1, 2, and 3?
This private respondent, my lord. Bank. IndusInd Bank.
You are appearing for IndusInd Bank.
Yes, my lord.
Then service is completed. Service is complete.
So now I have filed my wakalatnama today.
So your filing of wakalatnama envisages completion of service. What more
Yes,
is
my
required?
lord.
If the AD has not come back, you are faster than the AD. You have come. That is enough for us. Mr.
A.K. Gogoi.
A.K. Gogoi, Learned Counsel, has entered appearance on behalf of the respondents number 1, 2, and 3, and Mr. So-and-so CGC appears for respondent number 4. Service complete. Registry to list this matter again on 7/4/2026 for admissions.
Oblige.
It was a copy. Yes, madam.
Let's say this
Madam.
contempt petition is in file for non-implementation of the order of this honorable court, by which the respondents were directed to pay compensation amount for the land
29/3/2024.
order dated 29/8/2024.
29/8, sorry.
Let's see. Order is at page 12, let's see. It starts, let's see, from page 14,
Operative 16.
page 16.
Who is appearing for the respondents?
I am appearing for the respondent number 1, Your Lordship.
Who is that?
National Higher Authority of India.
1, Biswajit Jyoti Law Court.
Yes.
Yes, who is for 2? You're there. 3? You are there for 2 and 3. Yes,
Here-
any appeal file.
Here,
Money has to be given by you. Money is
Here,
given.
Lordship, I have, Lordship. So, Lordship, may kindly peruse para 8. I have some, Lordship. That's the way of by way of affidavit also, Lordship. Paragraph 8, Lordship, may kindly peruse.
Paragraph?
Paragraph 8, Lordship. I just mark it, Lordship. Even, Lordship, we have communicated time and again, Lordship. Yes, my body.
This amount was remitted back to the NHI authority.
No, Lordship. They have given the amount, Lordship, but they, in additional amount, they are, in paragraph 8, Lordship, they have denied it, Lordship. As because already compensation amount was given, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship.
We don't know how it is. There is an order of this court.
Yes,
Have you challenged this order? Or you are NHI, you are immune from the orders of this court?
Your Lordship, we already submitted the affidavit. We already paid the money to competent
Have you
authority.
paid the amount which is to be paid to the petitioner also?
Yes, Your
Where do I get it? Show me.
Your Lordship,
Give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Madam, have your seat.
Let's.
So we have Ashok Das, Deepak Das and Gagan Das and Mohodor Das here. Yes, sir. You're in trouble. Let me warn you. Yes, now you proceed.
Your Lordship.
Have you seen the order passed by this court?
Your Lordship.
Violation of which is alleged here.
Your Lordship, we are.
You have not done it. Read the order. Have you gone up on appeal?
No, Lordship, we are.
Come to paragraph 6. Have you read the order?
Yes, sir. Lordship.
This is an undertaking given by you before this court. How can you resile back from them?
Your Lordship, National Highway Authority is just remitted the amount
You
to.
have not remitted. That is over and above the amount already remitted, this 21 lakhs. And that is clearly recorded here.
Your Lordship, when the TG is.
Mr. Counsel, I'm not concerned about the merits of the matter. I'm only concerned with what is said in the order. It's a contempt petition. It's a contempt petition.
Your Lordship.
Why have you not complied with it?
Your
Where is
Lordship,
your officer now?
he is in
Gauhati?
Pardon, sir.
Gauhati? He's in Gauhati?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you make your submissions. We are here. Why the amount has not been paid?
Actually, Your Lordship, the amount mentioned in this order.
Have you gone against this order for appeal?
No, Your Lordship.
Have you filed a review?
No, Your Lordship.
No. So this order has attained finality. You will have to comply with it. There is no other way out. It's an order of 2024.
Your Lordship.
So comply.
Your Lordship, can I submit an additional affidavit regarding the?
No additional affidavit will improve your case. I only want to know whether this this order is holding the field. You come to paragraph.
Annexure 220.
No, I'm not concerned with any annexure.
Actually,
Para 4,
Para 4.
page 15.
Para 4 page.
Read para 5, 6, 7, then 8.
May I please yourself? Just I want to mention something. Your Lordship.
Yes, please do so.
Your Lordship, this amount which is extra money, which is have to be deposited. But Your Lordship, it's the amount which is already deposited into the competent authority. It is already mentioned.
I am only concerned with this order. It says over and above what you have done, you are entitled to 2148. You are entitled to release 2148,869. And then you say in para 6, so-and-so submits that they are in receipt of the information from the so-and-so and accordingly by a communication dated, it was intimated that the compensation amount will be processed after receipt of final instruction, final determination. So-and-so submits that is also aware of the facts that the petitioners are entitled for the balance amount and they will be duty bound to reimburse the amount to the account of the competent authority for further disbursal to the petitioners. Now show me you have made a payment after the passing of this order to the account of the Kala. Just show me that. Where have you written them?
Actually, you will say before this order pass.
I am not concerned with what is before that.
Must always. I'm
not concerned. I'm concerned with my order. It may be wrong. You should have rectified it. You have not done it. Your counsel has given undertaking.
Yes, yes.
Under instructions from you. Call them. We are drawing up contempt proceedings against them.
Actually,
who are the authorities? NHIDCL or NHAI?
Yeah.
NHAI.
NHAI.
One. Only one. One is the person.
Actually, may I please also? Actually, you receive all that 3G amount was already deported to Kala.
I'm not concerned, Mr. Counsel. I'm not concerned. I'm concerned with the order. Show me an amount after this has been deposited.
No, after this order, no.
Deposit that amount. We don't know. If you want to do something, you will have to do with this order. When this order is standing, we can do nothing.
Must oblige.
Okay, when are they appearing before this court for getting the orders of contempt? We'll drop proceedings. This orders, you are deliberately violating this order. Deliberately. Now taking pleas, which you had not taken in the writ petition. How can you?
Actually, also, earlier counsel is serving this. I am new in this case.
You are new, you are old, I'm not concerned.
Yes, my lord.
I am concerned with the violation of my orders by the authority you are representing.
Actually, also, I know that after this order, we are not pay anything. But
when you have done the contempt, we'll drop the contempt.
We already paid. It is in the account of Kala.
I'm not worried. I'm not concerned. I'm concerned with the order.
Yes, sir.
How long have you been in practice?
6 years, Lord.
6 years. Not putting a stamp on you. I'll have this matter on.
Allow us only 2 weeks.
No. This take a board, isn't it? 1 তারিখ 6 তারিখে পাই 6 তারিখে effective. Where is your client's office?
In supermarket, your lordship.
Supermarket. Keep to appear.
Must oblige it.
What do you say, Mr. Gugui?
Even also on which they have admitted to proceed. The interest part also.
No, that is clear from the order. And they had a copy of this order. They have not taken any steps if this order. You mean to say this order is wrong? Literally. No. How can it be? Either the order is wrong, correct, or you are correct. Both cannot be.
Actually, after this order, we write to Kala that the amount deposited.
You writing to Kala will not do. When a contempt is preferred here, the order will only be looked into, not the surrounding circumstances. And the order says that you undertake to make the payment over and above what is already paid.
Yes, your lordship.
Now this is the balance.
Additional balance amount wishes.
And beautifully written, beautifully noted.
Yes, sir.
So you don't want to comply.
Most of it.
You don't want to comply.
No, yes, we are complying.
When?
That's why we need.
No, I'll not give
Only
you.
one day, your lordship.
One day, okay.
Fine.
On the prayer of the learned council for the respondent number 1. Raised it to list this matter again on. Please take it out there. On 31/2026, on which day the learned council shall place on record as to why the undertaking recorded of the respondent number 1 in the order impugned, order dated 29/8/2024, for depositing the balance amount of rupees 21,48,869 receivable by the petitioners herein has not been deposited. Also, it is provided that in the event the order is not complied with by the next date of listing, this court would proceed further in the matter in accordance with law. Mr. Counsel, impress upon your authorities, ask them to read the order.
Yes, sir.
If there is something receivable from the authorities, you square it off amongst yourself. But the petitioner cannot be put on.
Most of it.
6% plus that amount. Whatever it is, give it. We will not say anything. Otherwise, we are going to be very harsh.
Most of it.
Let's
This is not done.
fixing the meter
On 30th.
30th.
Okay, we'll fix it on 1st. I'll give you 2 more days. First.
Most of it.
1st of April.
Obliged.
Don't make it an April Fool for me then. Mr. Counsel, ask your client to read the order. Orders are orders. Whatever you have done,
Yes, sir.
that amount you undertook to pay, the amount should be after the order, not before the order. Yes.
Most of it.
Enough, sir. Hey, Dasgupta Sahabar. 29 ne given. 29. 30. 30? 30. Yes. Yes, Mr. Chetia. What is that?
Okay, I'm seeking a short.
No. No adjournment.
My lord, what was happened, my lord, initially we have sent a notice to respondent number 2, my lord. However, that was returned, my lord, saying that, my lord, it was under the Dibrugarh Commissionerate, not under the Gauhati Commissionerate. So, my lord, we have again sent to Dibrugarh Commissionerate. Till now, my lord, no instruction.
What notice have you sent?
My lord, the intimation regarding, my lord, we are seeking comments, my lord. On
Okay, your comments. Do one thing. You,
my lord, in fact,
this order, final order, that order at page 110.
Lordship, in fact, my lord, I have gone through it, my lord. I find that, my lord, the notification referred to in that order, my lord, that is different to that under which, my lord, this present petition has been filed. It is, my lord, they are claiming exemption under notification number 20/7 CE dated 25/4/2007.
But here it is 25/7/2000.
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Dasgupta, what is
So
it?
therefore, my lord,
That will be 25/4. That is mistake.
It's a typographical error.
Yes, typographical. 25/4.
Where is 25/4?
25
That is at page
eight.
38. Page 37.
And the order they have annexed that referred to, my lord, notification dated, my lord, 25/7/2007. So therefore, my lord,
It says 25/4.
25/4.
no, that's.
But his unit is prior to 1/4.
That's right, that's right.
2007. Otherwise, he is covered by that. The Senate credits were not given to him.
My lord, my lord. Only thing since, my lord, that order, my lord, at operative person page 109 onwards, that page 110, my lord, that refers to a different notification. That
Yes, 25/7.
25/7/2007.
It is a typographical error.
Is there a notification dated 25/7/2007?
Lord, to that effect, my lord, I have to take instructions also. That's why I'm a short.
That's what we were giving you.
My lord, that's right, my lord. Because, my lord, this respondent number 2, my lord.
He's coming from Shillong. I don't want to make him. That's why I wanted to finish up.
I understand, my lord.
So that he can obliterate the journey.
Otherwise, lordship, I would not object to that, my lord.
At page 48, my lord, just refer I para 7.
Hmm.
It was decided the claim should be disposed of within 2 weeks since the application has already incurred liability and paid tax. And in no case it issued later than 30 days. That is para 7, circular 10/119. Because I have already paid tax. It's a reimbursement.
Where is 22/2 to 2023 here? Page 52.
52. That is. They have given clarification, my lord. And based on this clarification, that writ was disposed of, branch of writ. CBIC also instructed to withdraw all the court cases based on this.
But Mr. N. Dasgupta. N.
Yes,
N. Dasgupta.
yes, my.
On a counsel for the petition, I also heard Mr. S. Chitia.
Standing Counsel CGST.
Standing Counsel
CGST.
CGST appearing for the state respondent.
For 2 and 3, central and 3.
For to respond number 2 and 3. The petitioner in the present by instituting the present petition has prayed for a direction to the respondent authorities to sanction and disburse the pending GST budgetary support benefit available to the petitioner since October 2021 till 30/3/2027. The petitioner submits that its unit having been set up prior to 1/4/2007 you are seeking budgetary support in terms of that notification.
Notification law.
Yes.
Which notification? 25/4.
25/4/2007.
Submits that the case of the petitioner is covered by the provisions of the notification dated 25/4/2007, notification number 20/2007 dated 25/4/2007. Also, the petitioner further submits that the petitioner's case is also covered by the clarification issued by the competent authority on 22/2 wide communication dated 22/2/2023. Right?
Yes,
Mr. Dasgupta?
yes, my.
Accordingly, the petitioner submits that accordingly the petition contends that the benefits flowing to the petitioner unit in terms of the said notification dated 25/4/2007 be extended to the unit of the petitioner. Also, the petitioner in support of his the petitioner in support of the submissions of the said contentions has placed reliance on a order date 2/3/2023 passed by this court by a coordinate bench of this court in WPC number
5675 of 2022. 54.
5675/2022 Messrs. Sai Enterprises versus Union of India and others, and other analogous matters. Also, the coordinate bench of this court under similar circumstances as involved in the present proceeding, and on consideration of the said communication dated 22/2/2023, held that they said held that from the said communication, it is discernible that a decision had been taken that even in respect of those units who had paid their tax dues pursuant to the earlier exemption notification dated 25/7/2024, sick, bracket 25/4/2024, by utilizing the SENVAT credit, but the states to pay further taxes by means of cash was yet to come, would be considered by the authorities to be units who have availed the benefits under the earlier exemption notification dated 25/4/2007. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the decision of the coordinate bench in the case of Messrs. Sai Enterprises would also cover his case. Mr. Chetia, learned counsel for the petitioner, does not dispute the above position. Also, the coordinate bench, after having drawn its conclusion with regard to the said communication dated 22/2/2023, had observed as follows. Para 5, 6, 5 and 6, page 111. Also, it is stated by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the notification dated 25/7/2007, as noticed by the coordinate bench of this court in its order, said order dated 2/3/2023, is on account of a typographical error, and the same should be read as 25/4/2007.
Yes.
Also, the present writ petition also stands disposed of in the same lines as the case of Miss MS Sai Enterprises and other analogous matters were disposed of while the order dated 2/3/2023, and this court holds that the observation of the coordinate bench as noticed in para 5 and 6 would also stand applied in the present writ petition. With the above observation and direction, the present writ petition stands. I kept you because I did not want you to come back for a
Much obliged. Much obliged.
Obliged, Lord.
Yes, Mr. Borua. No, you are busy. I know that.
No,
But
no.
last day you said that one of other opportunity.
Let's see. That case was, you remember, Swapnadas.
Huh?
Swapnadas case was there. Lordship will remember.
Swapnadas.
Disciplinary action against AG, one of them. That case was there today.
Okay. That is still there.
Till date would have taken by petitioner council. I am for defending only. But now it will be finished because already judicial member have already been today onwards is permanent.
Okay, permanent. Who is come?
One Mr. Tondon. Justice. From, I think he's from place. Mr. Tondon means definitely he will be from.
No, he is the judicial
judge.
judge.
That I don't know, but judicial member. Today onwards. Tea or party also morning.
Tribunal will now be again live.
That is we are suffering, but today myself we are having 4 cases. It's not been finished. Any one case is over.
Yes, now tell me.
My lord, what happened? Lordship, before.
Forget that.
No.
Tarsem Singh, we are not.
No, that's right. That is my lord. I also understand because I am dealing with the cases. Sometimes we are also, lordship is there. But we are placing this, your lordship, whatever judgment is coming, lordship observation is coming, we'll do it.
You have done it, that observation.
No, that observation, that is why This what happened first was just an instruction has come to me, one is pending.
No,
Because I have placed. No,
that was noticed by this court.
no, that is correct. Second also it has come, it is a pending. This is matter pending. We also, so off record I am submitting that if it is not been stayed, we cannot do so. That is why, my lord. That is why I am
Now comply.
very beginning, my lord, I am the very first line itself I am saying, this should be passed and ordered. My
Order is already.
keeping my, because there are just some progresses, they are not telling that I will not comply, will not comply. We also will safe, there is some observation.
Then we will.
Some observation, this should be disposed of, Miller. Or maybe passed an
That
order.
is already there. Last order, it's already details, it is affected.
Then
Karsam Singh has been dealt with, your submissions have been dealt with. Rejection of the application has been dealt with. What more is left?
If so, then my humble prayer, I'll today itself I'll let down that you decision. Court. I'll let down only some time to be given.
So you are complying.
Definitely I have to comply if he
Now,
already
Mr.
there.
C. Borua,
But the comply
Learned
was
counsel for the petitioner submits that the respondents would comply with the would extend to the petitioner the benefit of solitium at the rate of 30% and interest at the rate of 12%, along with the interest accrued thereon within a further period of
some till time, 2 months.
Give me a date.
2 months because you have to send to Delhi.
Okay. On or before. Please, no? (22/5, 2026). Registered to list this matter again on 29/5, 2026.
I know.
Mr. Borua shall place on record the compliance report. They shall place on record the orders sanctioning the said amounts to the petitioners. You're not disputing that he is entitled.
No, definitely.
You're only saying that it cannot be.
Yes, yes.
That is gone.
Because that itself a lot is
Yeah, yeah. 27. 27, listed along that you'll have to file an, it's a new case.
No,
First time.
mal-
You have not filed an affidavit.
Similarly situated.
Similar issue, but that has not come. She has
My
not.
lord.
27 not likha, list along with so and so. Miss Arbora submits that she would, before the next date of listing, bring on record the stand of the respondents represented by her by way of filing an affidavit. Full stop. It is observed that the pendency of the present writ petition shall not be a bar
Yes.
to the respondents to release to the petitioner their solicium at the rate of 30% along with interest at the rate of 12% along with the interest accrued thereon before the next date of listing. You pay, it's better for you, your burden would come down. That's all. List along with Hetu. Yes, Mr. Goswami. You have got the order?
Well, I have checked, but it is not on the internet, it's in the system of the court, my lord.
You have seen?
It will not, my lord. It will take some time for us to get it. I see.
Bhuya is very fast.
Must have taken a copy from because it is not gone on, it has not gone on.
No, he's got it from, I think, from
Yes,
the
yes.
My
Court system.
My respected court master helps me.
Yes.
Oh, you get it here?
My lord.
Oh, আমি at পাইছো না। এটা copy দি দিও না।
My lord has covered the entire submissions, my lord, and my lord, we are grateful, my lord. Though interim order has not been, my lord, in our favor, my lord, but my lordship has kept the issue open for final adjudication, my lord. Now, my lord, here in the other batch of petitions, my lord, certain issues are there. Another batch is, my lord, fixed on this Wednesday, my lord, coming Wednesday. My lord, on that day also, I have some medical issues, my lord. So I am requesting to fix this matter on Monday, my lord, coming next.
Monday you'll be here?
Well, from Wednesday afternoon to Monday, I will not be here. Tuesday,
will
by
have it.
Tuesday,
31st.
all matters may be Tuesday.
My
We'll make mention of it.
respected senior can also go through the
My lord.
order, my lord.
Registered to, as paid for by the learned council for the parties, registered to list this matter again on 31/3.
31
2026. The other matters also will put it on 31.
Instead on Wednesday, we'll make a mention. my lord.
Wednesday, my lord, my colleague will
Somebody
be
will mention.
My lord. Deeply obliged.
highly obliged.
Provided I don't forget and I go and start catching.
My lord. Obliged.
Deeply
Highly
obliged.
obliged.
Hope I have given some scope to Mr. Barmia to go up.
No, my lord, these people are
I
tired.
don't know, my lord. Maybe that's the reason they are taking time. Maybe.
Obliged, my lord.
That's a permissible step. Yes.
Obliged.
Deeply obliged.
So you had your lunch and you rushed back.
No, my lord, I had to go for a nomination. As today is the last day, my lord.
Oh,
One of
you
my,
said they had gone home, so I said you might have gone for.
for one of my brother. Amin Gamal. Deeply obliged.
Obliged.
We'll give you a copy if you want.
We'll get it by evening, my lord. It's
No, you'll get it now. Have a copy, did you get it?
obliged.
Yes. Yes. Who was there? Ah. You are for ICICI Bank?
Yes, Your
Yes. Yes.
Your Lordship, we have received an information
Hmm.
from the Mizoram Police, Your Lordship, Saitwal Police Station. And
What is the amount?
No, Your Lordship, they have not mentioned any disputed amount. Otherwise, that is on 17 December 2025. We have received a mail. And the police station is Saitwal Police Station, Saitwal District, Mizoram.
You have filed an affidavit, no?
Yes, no, Your Lordship, we will file.
You did not know the background of Mr. M. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Shall on or before 6/4/2026 bring on record the reasons behind freezing the bank account of the petitioner maintained with the which branch? With the respondent number 2 branch of the with the maintained with the respondent number 2. So register to list this matter again. Kiman try kisilogi? Affidavit to kita file kubo. 6. Register to list this matter again on 8/4/2026. You kindly bring that on record so that he can take further steps in the law. Yes.
Affidavit filed, my lord.
Affidavit filed, but he is saying about
Recovery part.
recovery, but that will say no.
But otherwise, Rafiq Masi Paranfal, being
Rafiq
a
Masi
assistant
will not come.
engineer, not a
Rafiq-
referee.
Daniel and the other cases.
Yes,
Huh?
directly on, not on that one.
To that extent, because he is not found to be in any way responsible for this. And this is of 95, that period
My lord.
when he was promoted. If you have any material, you tell me, I'll not do it.
No, Lordship.
If there is something,
Affidavit, there is no such
nothing.
thing. Only thing, my lord, it will have to be in the correct fixation. Probably they have done it.
The correct fixation will hold the field. Only the recovery will have to be.
Amount already recovered, my lord.
Already?
Already
Ah,
recovered,
already.
my lord.
Already that too. Yes, you can.
He'll continue to draw his amount in the fixation so made. He'll not have the benefit, but this a recovery will be given. Disposed of.
Obliged.
Very good. Look, bench to treat. Bench to treat takes evening 4, 5, but this is early.